Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you're able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. Thanks for the confirmation, guys. Sorry for the delay. Okay. So let's get started now. Okay. Let's get started. So let me go to the workspace. Let me launch workspace, launch the Eclipse ID with the project where we have this project in the workspace. Let me launch that. Okay. Fine then. So here I'll launch Eclipse ID and we'll continue wherever we have stopped in the previous session. We have stopped at the 23rd test. Okay, we have not removed the hard coding of the locators from the 23rd test. So let's go there. Okay, let's go there. This is after method. This is before method. This is test one, test two. I'll just minimize them. Don't know whether I have an option to collapse everything at a go. Mm, okay, fine. Let's go directly. Otherwise, to waste the time. Let's go to the 23rd test. Okay, what happened? I clicked it somewhere. That's okay. Let me go here. Let me drag it and go to the 23rd test and start removing the hard coding of the locators from there. Yeah, this one, I didn't remove the hard coding of the locators. I'll do that now. Okay. So here, this is on the landing page. These are the header options actually. Okay. FA phone icon is from the header options. Okay. If you go to this application, if you go to this particular tutorials in the application, okay, here we have a phone icon. Okay. Here we have a phone icon, right? Here we have a phone icon. So if I go to this application, here we have a phone icon. Okay. Here we have a phone icon. So yeah, here we have a phone icon. That's fine. So in the script, this is a locator for that phone icon. Okay. Where that phone icon is available, the phone icon is available in the header options. Okay. So what I will do here is I'll go to this src main Java pages and I'll go to the header options. And here as part of the header options, I'll create a web element here. That is private web element, phone icon, I'll say. Okay. Phone icon. Simply say at the rate find by. Okay, what is the locator type we have here for the phone icon? XPath. Copy this XPath expression. Copy this XPath expression. Paste in the header options. Okay. Here say XPath is equal to and give that XPath expression. Save this. Okay. Save this. Now create a method. Public void. Public void. Select phone icon. Okay. Select phone icon. Is that the thing that I'm doing there? I'm going to click on that icon, right? In the script, I'm going to click on the icon. Okay. Here dot click is there. Okay. Select phone icon. Select phone icon option. And here I'll write down phone icon dot click. So a lot of things may be required here. That's okay. When I click on this phone icon, I'm taken to which page is? Am I taken to which page? I'm taken to which page? When I click on the phone icon, I'm taken to which page? What is the page that I'm taken to here? Guys, what is the page that I'm taken to here? Type in the chat box. When I click on the phone icon from the landing page, from the landing page, when I click on the phone icon, I'm taken to the contact us page. It's a new page. So immediately what we have to do after you click on the phone icon, you should not stop there. The next page that we are taken to is a contact us page. So go to these pages and see if the contact us page is there. No, it's not there. Create a new class and just name this as contact us page. Contact us page. Just name that and click on finish. And here write down web driver. And here public. Okay, public contact us page. Public contact us page. Then web driver I'll say. Okay, web driver. Then say this dot driver is equal to driver. Then I need to write page factory dot init elements driver comma this. Okay, driver comma this control shift O, and also this contact us page should be the child page of the root page. Extends have to write. Extends every page class should be a child class of this root page. Okay, root page. Hover the mouse on this root page. Hover the mouse on this root page and import this root page. And here write down super of this. Super of this. Sorry, super of driver. Sorry. Super of driver. Okay, super of driver. Now WebDriver driver, public contact us page, WebDriver driver, super of driver. This dot driver is called driver, page factory dot init elements driver, comma this. Then next one. What is the next thing? Here I'll go back to the header options and here I'll write down return new contact us page. Then pass the driver here, okay? Contact us page and then pass the driver here. Contact us page, paste it, save this, done. Okay. Now go back to the, okay? Then contact us page, okay? Contact, it will return you the object reference of the contact us page. Go to the register.java here and here write down header options is equal to new header options and then pass the driver, that is register page dot get driver. Okay. Once we navigate to the register page here, okay, from the before annotation method, what we are doing here, once we navigate to the register page here, you see we have navigated to the register page, select register option from header options and we have navigated to the register page. Once we got navigate to the register page, from the register page, we are doing all this stuff. Okay. So here register page dot get driver and here header HEADROPTIONS. Correct only, right? Okay. Here, sorry. Header options. Sorry, header options is equal to new header options like this. I need to write. Now what I need to do? I need to say header options dot select phone icon option. Okay. Select phone icon option. Hover the mouse on this, it will return you the contact us page. Okay. This phone icon option will return you the contact us page. So here write down contact us page is equal to and declare this. For the first time you are declaring this. So declare that, copy this part guys, copy this part and go to the top level. Once you go to the top level guys, paste it and put a semicolon here and go down again. Okay, contact us page. Remove the double declaration here. Remove the double declaration here. Contact us page is called header options dot select phone icon option. Okay. Then here I want to verify whether I have been navigated to the contact us page or not. How to verify that whether I have navigated to the contact us page? By using the title of the page, we can verify. Okay. So here, either we can write asset equals or we can say asset true is also fine. Okay. You can write asset true also. There is a way how to do that. Okay. Driver.get title. For driver.get title, right, I'll go to the this utils package and common utils are somewhere. I think base class, I think. So sorry, base class. I'll go to the base class and here we are getting the page title method is already there. Copy this. Get page title of, paste that here. Okay. Here, uh, pass the driver here. Okay. I need to pass the driver here. I'll simply say header options dot get driver. Okay. Header options dot get driver. Here say dot equals paste it. Get page title header options dot get driver dot equals contact us page. Header options is called new header options, register page dot get driver, contact us page is called header options dot select phone icon option, and then header options dot get driver and get the title to see whether we have successfully navigated to the contact us page or not. Again, I need to navigate back. For navigating back in the base.java, did I create any method here? No, right? Public string navigate back in browser. Okay. navigate back in browser, some method I'll create. Here also I'll pass WebDriver. Here I'll pass WebDriver, and here I'll say return. And what I need to do here, driver dot navigate dot back I have to write. Okay. The whatever the thing that I want to do here, that I'll okay. That's it. Okay. So here I don't have to return anything. I'll just say navigate back. That's the only thing. Whenever I want to navigate back in the browser, I'll call this method. Copy this method and go to the register. And here I need to navigate. Wherever I want to navigate back, I'll just pass the driver here. That's it. Header options dot get driver. I'll pass it here. Okay. From page to page class, I'll pass it. Okay. Done. So this part is done, guys. Okay. We have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from this part now. What is the next one? Here again, one more thing is there. Okay. One more thing is there. That is heart icon. Where is a heart icon here? When I'm on the again, I have navigated back to the register account page, and here heart icon is there. I want to click on that. How to click on that heart icon? Copy this heart icon. Copy this heart icon, and it's on the header options only. Again, go to the header options. Create a web element, private web element, heart icon option, heart icon option, and here write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give that xpath expression. Okay, give that xpath expression. Now create a method, guys. Public. What's that page, guys? Yeah, public for now void. I'll say public void select heart icon option. Select heart icon option. Have to write like that. Okay, public void select heart icon option, and here I need to write down heart icon option heart icon option dot click click. Then when I click on this heart icon option, where I'm taken to which page I'm being taken to, guys? Tell me. To which page I'm being taken to when I click on the heart icon option? I'm taken to the login page, right? I'm taken to the login page. So let me see, already the login page is created. Yes, login page is already there. So what I have to do? Return new login page, and then driver. Okay. Pass the driver here, and the return type should be login page. Return type should be login page. Now save this, and here write down. I need to click the. I need to select this. Header options dot get driver. I need to do this. When I have to do this actually. I don't know whether this will work or not, but I'll try to do that. Okay. After I navigate it back, I know that I'll be on there on the register page. Okay. But here header options is something I need to work with. Okay. I know that I'll be on the register page, and I need to say header options. If this is not working, then we'll go with a different thing. Header options dot select heart icon option. Okay. Select heart icon option. Let me run the script here. Let me comment this part, guys. I'm just trying to experiment something here. Just give me a second. If that is working, I'll continue. Save all. And let me run this only 23rd test. So far, guys, ignore the commented part. Ignore the commented part. I'm going to run only the 23rd test till here. If it is working or not, I want to check. I have some uh, question in my mind. Let me clear that out. Okay. Is it properly running or not? I'm going to see. Is the test running? Yes, test is properly running, guys. So I can continue with this, right? I can continue with this. Okay. So the same header options, I don't have to create the object reference again directly. Header option dot select heart icon option. It will return you the. So I'll uncomment this part. Now I know what is the process. Things are working fine. So I'll just go with the same process. Just go with the same process. I'll uncomment this part and try to remove the hard coding of the locators from the script. Everything is a learning, guys. Okay. You see, learning is a journey. Don't give an endpoint for learning. Okay. So whatever I'm taking here, it may look like, when it will be completed. Don't worry about when the sessions will be completed or something. You have to enjoy the journey. Okay. Just try to enjoy the journey and see what exactly you are learning at this point of time. Okay. No matter how much you want to achieve and all, but at the point of time, what exactly you are learning is very important. So every test we are learning something new, guys. Okay. Every automated test is kind of different, and we are learning something new in everything. So focus on that part rather than, thinking of when it will be completed and all. It's not about completion of the portion or something. We are trying to make our skills in a better way. Okay. So that's the only thing that we are doing. Yes.
Arun, can you please explain line number 920 once? I did not get that. Actually, we are back to the register page, right, in 918.
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, sorry. I'll come to that. Just give me a second. So 918, we navigated back.
Yes, in register page we are.
Yes, yes. I'll tell you what exactly is happening. I'll tell you. First, manually, you see, we'll go to this application. Okay. And somehow we navigate to the register page. Till here, fine, right? The before
Yes,
annotated method only, here it is there. Now, what I want to do in this particular test is, I want to select each and every hyperlink or option in this particular page and see whether we are getting navigated to the appropriate page or not is a test.
correct.
So if I click on this phone icon, whether I am taken to the appropriate page. Again, I will navigate back.
Yes,
From the register page only, I have to verify that all these options are working or not. I should not verify these options from any other page. I have to select these options from the register page only. Okay. So here, next thing I'm clicking on the heart icon. It should take me to the login page. Without logging in, we cannot be taken to the wish list. Okay. So navigate back. Then again I came to the register account page. Then I'm going to click on the shopping cart icon, whatever it is. Okay. Then I'm taken to the respective page or not. Again, navigate back like that one by one, including this last footer option also I'm going to click to see whether I'm navigating to the respective pages or not. That's what I need to verify.
Yes, actually, some experiment part you did, right? Like getting the driver, like whether driver is there in that page or not. That point I did not get.
Okay, I'll tell you what exactly that is. You see, what we are doing here is, okay, why we are getting the driver every time. You see, what we are doing here is, at this point of time, in which page you are actually, when the before method is completed, let's say this setup method is completed, right? At the end of the setup method, on which page you are? Where driver is
Register
available in
page.
which page? Driver is
Register
available in which
page.
page?
Register page.
Driver started from here, right? Driver started from here, and slowly the driver has maximized the browser. It's not on any page. Initially, the driver is not on in any page. Okay. Initially, the driver is not on any page. It's in my script actually. In this register.javascript, the driver is there at this moment. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay.
once this is completed, right, that driver which was there in my register.java, I was passing to which page? Which page class? Header
Header
options page
options.
class. So it went to the it get initialized here. You see, the driver came here, and when you create an object, the driver came here and got initialized to the header options. Okay. And
Okay.
because of which all these web elements got initialized, and the this driver is getting initialized to the page class driver, and it can be used in any of these methods. Fine. Till then, it's all good. Okay. Now, using the header options, what you're doing, you're clicking on my account drop menu. Here, you're clicking my account drop menu. Once you click
Yes.
on the my account drop menu, what is the next thing which is on the header options? Since the driver is there at the header options, no problem. Okay. And then you are selecting the register option. Okay. Since the driver is there in the register account page only, in the header options only it is there means you are selecting the register option. Once you select the register option, you have navigated to the register page. Okay. You got navigated to the
Yes.
register page. Now, what is the next step that is there? Let's go down. Okay. So driver is currently on which page? Register page.
Register page.
Okay, register page that we know that. Now what is the next thing that is there is, so here, but the situation has come where in the register page, I need to select this header options. In the register page only, I need to select the header options. But these elements I am not creating in the register page. These options are available in which page? Header options thing section otherwise. Okay, header options part page class I am creating. It's not a page, but header options I created like a page class. Okay, so here when you create, because why you are creating an object for the header options here suddenly? The
To
reason
get the
behind that
driver
is,
back.
yes, to get the driver back. The problem here is the register page is not returning you header options here. Here, the register page, there is no method in register page which will get you the, okay, which will return you the, which page? Header options. Okay, there is no, 1 minute. Let me tell you what it's kind of, I know it's kind of not easy. That's the reason you got the issue. Here, is there any method inside the register page which will return you the object reference of the header options? Do we have any such kind of method in the register page? Did I create? No, right? I didn't create.
No.
Okay, but I need to pass the driver from which page to which page now to perform the operations. Currently, I was on the register page, but I need to perform the operations of the header options. The driver need to pass to which page now to perform the operations to initialize and all. It need to be passed to which page?
Header option page.
Header options. But if I directly give driver here, do you think the driver which has went to the register page will be passed, or this particular driver will be passed? The driver which was not gone to this header options and register page will not be passed, right?
Yes.
Rather, this particular driver, whatever the instance, whatever the state of the driver till here, whatever the state of the driver is there, the older state of the driver will be passed. But I don't know what type of issues may come. I don't know. It may come randomly, it may come different context, it will come. Its better thing is that whenever you are passing the driver to one page, from that page you get the driver to go to the next page. Same driver you try to use and keep it like a chain. Okay. Don't use the older state of the driver and pass it, because there is at that particular point of time driver may be null, we don't know. Okay, driver is not maximized, we don't know, whatever. Okay, that is the issue. Got it?
Yes.
Why we have to pass the driver between the page classes? That's the issue. Okay, same driver we have to pass. If you want to be good without any problems, if you want to peacefully run the scripts, right, we have to make sure that driver is getting passed from the your script to the page class, that page class to the another page class, that page class to the another page class, like that we have to. Okay, in page object model and page factory design pattern. Okay, we need to pass the driver to the respective pages in Selenium Java. Like that, I'll just write down. Okay. So let's see what yes, in Selenium with Java, while using page object model, page file design pattern, you need to pass the WebDriver instance to the respective page classes. This allows the page class to interact with the browser via the WebDriver. Okay. Here is a detailed explanation of how to pass the driver in both the approaches. So here, I'm just passing the driver here, and okay, all these things are there. Usage in test class. Okay, we are doing that page factory design pattern. Also, we are doing the same thing here, WebDriver driver, and okay, all these are good. Okay, what is the best way of passing the driver from one page class to page, another page class? Let's say, let's say, let's say from uh, from home page, from home page to register page. Let's see what exactly is happening. Pass the driver to the next page class to the constructor when navigating from one page to another page. Here, what we are doing, you see, here home page is there, okay? And here, the same driver are we passing or not? Whatever the driver that we got to the home page here, well, during the constructor and all those stuff, okay? When you click on some register link, you know that you'll be taken to the register page. Are we getting the same driver back? Whatever the
Yes.
driver that came to the home page is coming back to the which page? Register page now, okay? By creating here only we are creating the object. Here only we are creating the object, okay? Fine. Now I got one more question. What to do? What to do? Okay. When I need to pass the driver to another class, another page class, when on selecting some option to the existing page class. Okay. What to do when I need to pass the driver to another page class when on selecting some option to the existing page class is not taking to the not taken to the page class, okay, for which I need to pass the driver. Okay, like this if I write, let's see what it will do. You see, when your test flow involves selecting an option or interacting with an element that does not trigger or navigating to a new page, but you still need to pass the driver to another page class, perhaps for verification or further interaction, you can handle this scenario by creating an instance of the new page class while sharing the same WebDriver instance. Okay, we have to create the instance of the page class and then pass the driver there. So let's see if any better solution is there, we'll definitely do that. You can directly create an instance of the target page class and pass the WebDriver to it. This keeps the session consistent without recurring navigating to the new page. Even if there is a no explicit you can break down the page into smaller components responsible by different in the sense of code reliability and maintainability. Okay, what I'm trying to do here, let's see what they have given the solution. Home driver, and you got the driver here, and the constructor has initialized it. And here profile section is coming. Okay, get profile section, and profile section we are returning it here. Okay, here we are simply creating an object, right? Get profile section. Okay, we created a method here. Okay, okay, so it's a better solution is also there here. Okay, maybe whatever the solution I'm using, right? I can. Okay, I want to get the header option section. Okay, header options I want to get. Okay, so there is another way also. If you don't want to create an object in the automation script, you can do something like this. Okay, so with this we got some idea. We can implement that. That is not a big deal. But you understood, right? What is the reason I am passing the driver here and there? You understood, right? In page object model, page factory design pattern, whenever you use a driver and that driver need to pass to one, that driver if it get passed to another automation, another page class, from that page class, if you want to pass the driver to another page class, you have to pass the driver also. The same driver that you have used in the register page should be passed to the account success page. The same driver that you have used in the access page should be you should be used in the my account page. Okay, like that it should go on. You should not use the older instance of the driver. Clear, no? The basic part is clear, na? How to
Yes,
solve it
Sunny.
is a different thing, but you understood, right? Why I'm doing like that?
Yes.
I want to get the latest instance of the driver. So here, how I am solving that problem? If I give driver, the problem is, will I get the latest instance of the driver or the older instance of older state of the driver I'll get here in this place, 915.
Older state.
Older state. How to get the latest state? For that, I ideated some solution here. Okay. To overcome this problem, I ideated one solution. What is the solution I ideated is, since I may want the driver from any of the page classes while automating the script, yes or no? Sometimes I may need from account success page the driver, right? Because for example here, for example here, just take this situation, what I'm trying to explain. I'm in the register account page, right? Now what I'm doing here, I'm clicking on this phone icon. Which page I'm taken to? Which page I'm taken to?
Contact us page.
Contact us page. On the contact us page, do I have any option that will, on I'm taken to the contact us page, that's okay. Okay, and then navigating back, that's all good. Again, I'm on the register account page. Now what I want to do is, I want to select this heart icon. Now, is there any option on the register account page which is navigating me to the heart icon? That is the login page or something? No, right?
No.
So then how to pass the driver then? I I need to create an instance of the, I need to create the instance of the login page here or contact us page here. Okay. So when I click on this, so here from the register account page, I don't have any option to select this phone icon, let's say. From the register account page, I don't have any in page class of the register page.java is there, right? In that we don't have any web element or method to click on this phone icon. But naturally, I'm taken to the phone icon, contact us page. Naturally, I'm taken to the contact us page by selecting some option here. No, right? So what I
No.
will do here, it's not needed. It's in between. Some other thing is coming in between for us. Okay, in between, some other thing is coming because of which the problem is there. Okay. So how to overcome this problem? To overcome this problem, I need to create an object for the header options. Yes or no? Because this option to select this phone icon or this wish list icon or shopping cart or checkout will be there on which page? Header options page. But currently the driver is at which page? Register page. Driver is currently at the register page, but I want to go to the header options page. But am I naturally navigating by selecting some option in the register page? I'm going to the header options and then selecting that is not possible, right? So what I am doing here is I'm going to get the driver of the latest state of the driver I want to get. For that, in the root page, which is the parent page of all these page classes, I created a method known as get driver method. The purpose of this method is to return the driver. Okay, this will be inherited by the respective pages. For example, if I call this get driver method, since the root page is a parent class of the, let's say, register page, in the register page, even though that get driver method is not there in the register page, since it is inherited from the root page, okay, can I say, can I use the object reference of the register page and call the get driver method? Is that possible to get the driver?
Yes.
That's what is
Yes.
the, that's what is the method I'm using, nothing more than that. Okay. So I'm getting the driver of the latest state of the driver, which is there in the register page by using this method. One of the way. Okay. Register page dot get driver. Which driver will come? Latest state of the driver, which is there in the register page will come. So this is a user-defined method I created. Okay. In the root page, I created this method so that whenever I want the driver for any of these pages, I want to get the driver immediately to me. I want to get the driver to me immediately. That's the reason I created this get driver method. Okay. But there is a way, guys. Okay. But there is a way. Most of the times, I want to reduce the lines. Still, I want to reduce the lines. Is there any better way to reduce the lines here? Is there any better way to get reduce the number of lines here? For example, if you start from the beginning, a lot of places have used this header options thing, right? Okay, we got some idea now. You see here, initial thing is header options. That's okay. You don't have to do much here. Okay, you don't have to change anything here. Here you see when you select the register option, then as a byproduct, you are getting the register page which contains the driver inbuilt. I don't have to get the driver from the header options here anymore. When I say header options dot select register option, what is happening here? Here it's selecting the register option and it's creating the object reference for the register page and returning you the driver. You're getting the driver back. Okay, register page driver you're getting back from the header options page. When you select the register option, here you are getting the driver. You see, the driver that is there in the header options is being passed to the register page. So you are using the latest state of the driver here naturally. Okay. Now if I go down here, register page dot click on continue button. We still are register page. Don't have to worry. Here register page and all those stuff. And here when I click on the continue button, okay. When I click on the continue button, the driver need to go from the account. When you click on this continue button on the register page, the driver that is passed to the register page should go to which page? Account success page. But how it is happening? Here only it is happening. You see, here I am passing the driver. The driver that is there in the register page, I am passing to the account success page automatically here itself. Naturally, I am passing. Okay. So it doesn't look like, but we are doing that. Okay. So here, all good. Here also, when I click on this, driver from the account success page is going to the my account page. Driver from the my account page is going to the newsletter page. Automatically, the driver is getting passed between the pages. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. Okay. So there may be some situations. You see here, the driver has been passed to the which page? In the seventh test, the driver has been passed to the which page? Register page. But when I select, did we navigate to the register page? Okay. That's okay. This is verified. Okay. Will this take me to the header options page? If I say register page dot did we if I verify this, did we navigate to the register page? Will it take me to the header options page? Is it taking me to the
No.
header options page? No. But in the next step, I want to perform the operation of the header options. Is there any connection between the register page and header options here? It's kind of not naturally connected, right? You are not getting the driver option as a byproduct of this method, right? You're not getting the header options page class object as a return type of this. Did we navigate to the register page? You are not getting. We are not getting that, right? Register page dot did we navigate to the register page? You're not getting that. You're not getting that. Okay. So what you have to do here? Here, that's the reason I have to create an object here itself in the test script. Let's say if you don't want to create the object here also, is there any way? Is there any way that I don't want to create the object in the automation code? Is there any way? Yes, we can go to the next state. What is the next state that we can go? I'll go to the register page. Okay. I will go to the, whenever it is required, I'll do one thing like this. I'll create a method like this. Okay. And create a method that is public header, header options, public header options, get header options page, get header options page like this. I'll write get header options page. Then here what I will do, new, return new, header options, and then I need to pass the driver. This is another way. This is another way. This is a way also we can go to the respective pages, but a lot of methods may be required. Okay, that's okay. If you still want to remove the hard coding of the, if you still want to remove the creation of the object reference for the header options, you can do something like this at the framework level to solve this problem. Where if you call this method, okay, if you call this method get header options, you can say return new header options and then pass the driver. Okay, now save this. If you save this and here go to the register page, you have to write like this. No, what I have to write? I'll simply say register page dot get header options page. The return type will be header options only. This way also we can overcome this problem. We don't have to write like this anymore. Got it? Clear what I have done?
Yes, Arun.
Yes. So this is the best way. Okay, this is a better way. Okay, than what we are doing. Like everyone manually getting the driver. We whatever the headache of getting the driver is not. We are not worried about it right now. Okay. Even still, we are keeping the flexibility of getting the driver also. We'll not remove this method. We'll not remove this method. We are keeping that. If say some situations came, we'll still want to get the driver due to some XYZ reasons. Let's have it. Not a problem. Okay. Let's close this and have it for now. But we can over this problem so that people doesn't feel that, header options, we need to create the object reference. You see, the Java code should not be there here. Okay. The logic part of the code should not be there here. Okay, when in the automation script, the logic part should not be there. Our intention should be to reduce the logical part. We should not be writing a lot of Java code here. Very minimal point of Java code we have to write, but we have to make sure that as much amount of Java code we should take it to the next levels. Okay, we have moved the logical part like creating the object for the header options to the register page. Let's see how it will go on. Okay, so here wherever I'm using, get driver, right? Wherever I'm using get driver, right? I don't want to use a get driver anymore. What I have to do now? Currently, again, I'm on the register page here. I'll simply write down register page dot get header page options page. Okay, this will reduce this part. So we thought of resolving this, but in one of the day we decided of resolving this problem. We kept it pending since you have asked the question, right? I thought of solving it right away. Okay, why to wait for the time rather than solving it right now? I thought that is let's not try to postpone. Let's implement it here because a lot of confusions are happening. So I thought of solving the problem here itself. Okay, click on my account drop menu, select login option. Wherever I am getting the driver here, use login page. From the login page, I am getting the driver. What I will do here? Yes. Any question, Pranav?
In line number 305, we have to create the object for the login page, right? In the header option club, in the header option
No,
page.
you don't have to do that. Line number 305, you don't have to do that. It's already there because naturally you're going to the login page only, right? When you select the login option, which page you will go? From the header options, if you select the login page,
Login page.
login option, login page only go. So already
Right,
we
right.
have created that. Earlier only we created this object reference of the login page there. If not there, if there is no connection between page to page, in that kind of situation, how you are resolving is something I'm focusing. You
Okay.
see, there is no relation between. If I click on this, if I call this method, am I taken to the header options? Register page.db navigate to the register page will take me to the register header options here.
No, no, no. Only
No,
the
in
system.
that case, how to solve that problem? We resolved it. So we created one of the extra method in the register page to get the header options page object reference. Okay, got it?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Otherwise, let's not make it header options page because I'm using it. Like if it is really page, I'll say page. It's header options only, right? Naming wise, it's not good. So I'll just remove this page here. Okay. It looks good. Okay. So here there is no connection between the register page and header options, which are two separate entities, and this method will not take you to the header options. In that case, what I'm doing, so since there is no connection between the register page and header options, and so to overcome this problem, the register page itself, if you are using this, if I have to go to the header options a lot of times from the register page, what I'm doing, I created this method in the register page so that the purpose of this header options method is to create an object for the register page and return. Sorry, get header options is to from the register page is to create the object reference for the header options and along with that passing the driver and give in the latest driver state it should return you the object reference of the header options. That will get simplified. The things will get simplified here. Okay, now again one more situation I'll come, don't worry, you'll understand slowly. Here when I say header options dot click on my account drop menu and header options dot select login option, which page I will be taken to? When I select this login option, which page I will be taken to? Header options dot select login. In the header options, if I select the login option, which page I am taken to?
Login
Login
page.
page. If I'm taken to the login page, you see this method is written in such a way that we know that we'll be taken to the login page. Here, already we know that when I click on the login option, I know that we'll be definitely taken to the login page. So we created the object for the login page and okay, here, okay, okay. So, so here what we are doing, we know that we'll be taken to the login page. I already have created the object reference of the login page and written the object reference of the login page along with the latest state of the driver there. So that part is naturally happening. I don't have to do anything else. But here, if you see right column options, I'm creating the object here. Because why I'm creating the object for the right column options here? Why not have to say header options dot select login option? The return type of the select login option should be right column option. That cannot be done, right? But if in case from the login page, if you want to get the right column options page, what I have to do? I cannot do that, right? I want to get the latest state of the driver. So from the login page, I'm getting the driver and passing to the right column options and creating the object reference so that we'll get the right column options page class, which is not related to the header options anymore. So to overcome this problem, what I will do here is from which page I'm getting the driver login page. Okay. Okay. In the login page. So header options dot select login page. And then in the new right column options, login page dot get driver. Okay. You're taken to the login page, right column options dot click on register option. Okay. From the login page, right column options, I'm selecting the register option. I'm selecting the register option. So for this to happen, guys, what I will do here is in the login page, I'll create a method. Okay, in the login page, I'll create a method. Okay, what is the method I'm going to create in the login page? In the login page, I'm going to create a method. Where is the okay? Where is the login page? Sorry, in the login page, I'm going to create a method like public void get right column options. Okay, get right column options. So here there is one more way, guys. What is the one more way? I got an idea now. If I go to the register page, what is the method I created, guys? Header options. Get header options. It will return you the object reference of the header options page. I'll cut this part and go to the root page. I'll go to the root page. Instead of getting the driver here, I'll just create like this. Save this. You can get the header options from any of the pages now. Okay. Similarly, guys, I'll go to the login page and here, whatever the method I'm trying to create, I'll not create it here. Rather, I'll create in the root page. That will solve me the problem. Here using get right column options. Okay. And here I'll say return new right column. I'm making the thing simple. Okay. Column options. It's a root page, right? I can do this. Okay. Driver. I'll pass the driver here. So when you create an object for this page, the driver will be initialized to this page class, and if that page class has a parent page, okay, here that also will be initialized. This driver also will be initialized. Okay, so that's what is the reason we are using the latest version of the driver here, latest state of the driver. Write column options over the mouse and import this from pages package. Save this. Lot of errors will be coming. That's okay. Ignore them for a while because we are rectifying the problems and we are making the code more better here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is. Here, I'll simply say uh, login page dot get right column options. You see, from the root page, I'm getting this. From the root page, I'm getting this method. Over the mouse on this, it will give you the object reference of the right column options. Right, right column options. Options is equal to like this. You write. Now you don't have to create this line. Simply write down right column options dot click on register option. You know that when you click on the register option, you'll be taken to the register page. You'll be returning the object reference of the register page here. That's okay. And here register page dot did we navigate to the register page? All good. So this part is completed, guys. We have successfully made the code even more better now. Okay. And a lot of errors will come here. Wherever the errors are there, we'll stop there and rectify the errors here. So let's rectify the errors wherever I'm saying get driver and all right. I'm going to rectify the errors there. So yeah, anywhere get driver is there. Let's stop there. Yeah, here get driver is there. Register page dot get driver. Again, for the right column options, you are getting the driver here. Okay. Okay. Then how to do this? Here we are on which page? Here we'll be on register page. From the register page, I'm doing all these operations. Uh, First name, last name, and click on the continue button. Everything will be performed, and I think the right column options. I want to get it from the which page? Right column options is called new right column options. Register page dot get driver is one way. And here I'm taking it from the register page, right? Instead of getting this like this, what I will do here is I'll simply write down like this. Okay, register page dot uh, get right column options. Okay, and here say right column options is equal to you have to write. Okay, right column options is equal to you have to write. Register page dot get right column options. We can write like this. Okay, this line is gone now. This line is no more required. Register page dot get right column options, right column options dot did we get logged in. Account success page is called new account success page. Here right column options dot get driver. Account success page is called new account success page. Right column options dot get driver. Right column options dot get driver. So here again we are getting the from the right column options we are getting the driver here, and then we are creating the object reference for the account success page because we have to suddenly shift to the account success page here. How to do that then? Here I'll simply write down right column options, dot get account success page. Here, go to the root page. Whenever you need that, you create that method. Public void get account success page. Okay, get account success page, then say return new, return new account success. From any page, you can go to any page. That's the matter here. Okay, to directly go to any page, if there is no relation also, if you want to do that, you have to follow this process, account success page. Come back here I'll simply write down get account success page, put a semicolon here and simply write down account success page is equal to, once you get the account success page, simply write down account success page dot did we navigate to the account success page or not. Yes, we have successfully removed that. Wherever the errors are there, we'll stop there and rectify the problems. Okay, no errors are there so far. Here also no errors so far. Wherever the errors are there, I'm going to rectify them. According to my needs only, I will be creating that methods, which will get me the object reference of different page classes. Just keep going, keep going. Whenever you see a situation where you need to get the page class, you have to stop there, okay? Not there, not there, not there. Or then click on these options also, you'll get it, that's okay. But let's go here. You see register page dot get driver, okay? Here I'll simply say register page dot get header options. Put a semicolon here and say header options is equal to return type will be header options. With the latest driver, you'll get it. And this line is no more required. And here also header options dot get driver dot equals. You're passing that, okay? Here contact us page, right?
So around register page, we extend the root page. That is why it is automatically narrated, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, correct. From the root page, we are getting these methods now, okay? Instead of repeating these methods in several page classes, right? I'm directly providing in root page so that from any page, I can get the any page class driver. Got it?
Yes, got it.
From
Thank you.
any page, I can get any page class driver. I'm even making it more sophisticated rather than get driver, right? This one is even more better, right?
Right, right.
That's the reason I have taken it to the next level now. Okay. So depending on situations, you have to think here. Okay. So here currently it is on the header options. From the header options dot get driver. It may be on any place, but here what we need to get, I need to pass the driver here. Okay. I need to pass the driver here to get the page title. Okay. How to pass the driver here of the page title. So this is something different here. Let's see what we can do. Did we create an object reference anywhere here? We didn't create any object reference here, right? Of any page class. We are simply getting the driver there. We are simply getting the driver and then passing the driver. I don't know whether this we really need to do this or so. But can we? People were saying that even though I provide driver here because it doesn't belong to any page class, anyhow it will get the current page title driver. They were saying, but I don't know whether in this case I need to provide get driver or normal driver. I am just thinking. Okay. Hmm. Contact us page, header options, contact us page, and from the header options, already the driver has went to the contact us page here by on doing this, but I am giving the driver from the header option. So I think I can give any driver here. I'll give the driver here. Okay, that's okay. Navigate back in browser and here also just give navigate back in browser and give the driver here. That's it. Okay, that's enough. For navigating back and this kind of things, I don't think expert level of mindset is not required there. I think you can directly give the driver here. Okay. Get page title and what if I don't pass it? What if I don't pass this and will it still work is a question I have. Where is that root base.java? And here, I don't want to pass the driver here. Get page title, I don't want to pass. Here, get page URL, I don't want to pass. Wherever it is not necessary, I'm trying to remove that, guys. Okay, let's see what will happen. But here, the problem here is, will it work or not is the problem. Okay, let's try this. If it doesn't work, we'll change the situations. Okay, driver dot, okay, get page title, navigate back in browser. Okay, so 23rd one we are working on, right? Till here, whether it is working or not, we'll see. Okay, till here, whether it is working or not, let's see. So let's comment this part for a while. Let's comment this remaining part. I'm experimenting something, just wait. Even sometimes I even don't know. Okay, I have to do some trial and errors and get the things done. So for now, here also I'll pass a driver here. Here also And no need to pass the driver here. No need to pass the driver here. Okay. Simply remove that. It will be done. So save all. This is the only place we have that problem. Here, restart page dot get driver is there. Okay. So what I can do here is header options is equal to restart page get header options. Put a semicolon. Control Shift O. Save all. Okay. Then let's try this out. 23rd test. Let's try this out to see whether so far without passing the driver whether it is working fine. Someone was saying that without driver passing it is work because these are basic commands, so they can work. Okay. Anyhow, you are passing the driver from this to the other thing. That's okay, but still it is working fine or not. I want to see if it works till that. Then we are good to go. Accordingly, we'll change the scripts. It's failing. You see what is the problem, guys? What is the problem here? Cannot invoke driver is not
Driver.
driver need to be passed. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's the reason you'll get null pointer exception if you don't pass the driver. Okay, it's checking the older state of the driver. Yesterday, someone was saying that without providing the driver for me in the get title and all, it is working fine. But I'm getting null pointer exception. That is the reason. Okay, I'm getting null pointer exception. So it's better to connect the driver everywhere. So what I will do here is in the root page, I'll create the public void get driver. I'll create. Okay, sometimes we have to get the driver also. Sometimes we have to get the driver. Return new, return driver. Otherwise, return driver. Here web driver. Save this. Okay, public web driver get driver is called return driver. Save this, and here write down register.java. What I have to do, guys? So here everywhere I need to get the driver, guys. Here I have to say contact us page dot get driver. Okay, and I have to go to the get page title method, and here web driver driver I have to give. Web driver driver I have to give. Here also web driver driver I have to give. Here also web driver I have to pass the driver. Okay, that is the reason we have to pass the driver. Otherwise, you are going to get it will take the older state of the driver and you'll get null pointer exception in some cases. Here also, I need to pass the driver. How to pass the driver here? Again, contact us page dot get driver and navigate back. Okay, navigate back, and you'll be coming to the register page. That's a different story. But here, I can use this. I can at least use the header options even after coming back. So header options dot I'm jumping from here to here. That's okay. We'll do one thing. Header options dot get driver. Here header options only will pass. Let's say. Then I can use the same driver here. Okay. Fine. Let's see whether this will work or not. Okay. After doing this change, whether it is working here also I have to pass the driver here. No. Register page dot get driver. Here also register page dot get driver. Save this. Save all. Done. Let's go to 23rd test again and run the test to see with these changes it's working fine or not. If it works fine, we are good to go. We have to do some trial and error sometimes. Yeah, it's working fine.
So go to seventh test case also change, made changes, sir.
Which one? Seventh
Seventh,
one?
yes.
Seventh one not required, na? We are not calling the normal methods, right? Here, where exactly in seventh test? No, right? We are not getting the title or URL of the pages which are there in the base class. For this only I was doing. For these three methods only I'm doing. Get page title, get page URL, navigate back in browser only I'm doing. For this, I'm passing the driver. If I don't pass the driver to this get page title, get page
That's
URL, not working.
seventh test case. The previous code was easy, sir. No, it is
No,
difficult.
I have not used. You see, that is common. That is working already, right, for us. You see, when you say register page.get header options, you are getting the driver automatically. You don't have to change it. Inbuilt only, you're getting the driver here, right? By passing the driver only, you're already passing the driver here. That's why it's working fine. Getting my point?
Because the seventh test case, it took me for 2 days to understand. So again, you have done changes.
Yeah, the changes will keep happening, and that is a framework, right? It will take 1 week also. You have to be ready. That's what is learning, right? Are you afraid of changing the stuff? We have to change it, right? At some point of time, we have to change it, right? Right? Things will become complex. Over a period of time, things will become complex. We have to, you know, we have to understand the complexity in a step-by-step manner. That's the way to do it. We cannot stop somewhere. You see, these ideas I got on the fly. There's no particular rule like we have to do like this only. What is the best way? I'm thinking and trying to do the changes. So, have you got the difference from the earlier thing and now? Have you got the difference from the earlier thing and now? What is the earlier thing? I used to create the object reference like this. Header options is equal to new header options. And then to get the driver, what I used to do? Register page dot the get driver I used to do. This one is better or this one is better? Tell me, you only. 302 and 303. Which one is better?
302 only better.
302 is better
Yes, sir.
or 303? Why? Why it's better?
Because the
Why it
code
is?
is
Why you are thinking it is better?
in simple way.
Code is in simple way, but the problem here is whenever you are building a framework, right? It's better you avoid the Java code inside the automation scripts. Got it? One of the purpose we solve while creating a framework, right? What is the purpose we solve generally? Do you see any logic being written anywhere? Do you see the logic being written anywhere?
No,
Whatever the logic to perform the click operation or typing the text into the fields, am I writing anywhere in the script?
no.
No, right? The logic has been taken to the next level. Next level means lower levels in the hiding level. We are hiding those things in the respective page classes and all. So I want to hide this process also. What is the idea I got? I don't want to create the object here. I don't want to create the object for the header options here. Where I want to create the object? What is the way to hide of creating this? But I still want to create the header options, object of the new header options I want to create. But I want to hide this object creation. Then how to overcome this problem? For that, I got an idea. That is, from any page class, I should be able to create the objects for any page class. Okay, from any page class, I want to create the object references for any page class. So with that, I went to the root page, which is a root page of all the parent page of all the page classes. In the root page, I simply created these methods, which will not only create the objects and also pass the driver here. This is in the root pages. So from any page, by creating by using the object reference of any page, can I get these header options, right column options, account success page? All these things I can get, right? That's sort of idea I got. That's the reason I simplified this process like this. The process of we creating the object reference of the header options is moved to the root page now. Okay. What is the object I'm creating? Header options. Where it is getting created?
Root page.
Written new header options. On the root page, the object for the header options is getting created and driver is also getting passed, right? The latest driver state of the driver is also getting passed. So you don't have to do this hard work here. Remove this.
Okay, sir.
Call
Okay,
this
sir.
method fixerPage.get header options will do the same thing, right?
Yes,
Is it
yes.
doing the same thing?
Yes.
Header options is equal to new header option. The same thing we are doing, but we are just taken the complexity of the code to the next level. Okay. Directly when someone sees your script, you should not see new keywords and all those stuff. Okay. They don't have to see that. That's what is a framework is about. If you don't want the complexity, we can directly write the scripts one by one, right? That is the simplest way, right? Separate Java file for every. Okay. But we have to go to the framework level here. Okay. We have to go to the framework level and we have to take the advantage of the framework and we have to make our framework so solid that things will become as easy as possible. How you will get all these ideas? While working only, you should get the ideas. It's not like copy pasting someone. While you are working, you can get it. If you miss something, then you copy paste. Then you explore other frameworks and copy paste. Multiple ways are there. Okay. Different ways are there, guys. Okay. So we have to generate our own ideas, our knowledge, whatever we have learned so far should help us in building the frameworks for us. I'm not an expert. Okay. But I'm doing able to do it, right? Small confidence I have, but I'm able to do it based on the situations, right? While I'm keeping on automating the scripts, I'm getting these ideas. Okay. Why to say header options is equal to new header options and then pass the register page dot get driver. Instead, if I create this get header options method in the root page and then call this with the help from any page class object reference, I should be able to get the object reference of that particular pages. Inside these methods, the object for this header options is being created. I'm not creating, only simple thing is that instead of creating the object reference here, I'm creating inside this method. That's the only thing. If I don't pass the driver, what happens also I showed you. If I don't pass the driver, what is happening? Null pointer exception is coming. Okay. Got it now?
Got
Or any
it.
confusion still? This part is clear now? At least this
Yes.
part. Okay.
Yes.
Why I'm doing like this. Okay. So fine. Let's go to the 23rd. Okay. Let's go to the 23rd. You'll understand slowly. Don't worry. In a single go, if you have to understand, things will not come. Okay. So we have to take the pain. Okay. From pain only, we have to learn the things. I want everything on my plate to be so sophisticated, organized. I want to then only eat means it will not come to your plate. Okay. We have to take the pain. No pain, no gain. Okay. You have to give some pain to your brain and try to understand the complexities and solve them and then go to the next level. Should not say that, okay, I will not understand this. Then you will not be able to understand it. Okay. Step by step, anyhow, we are doing. So try to understand, guys. I'm trying to motivate. I'm not going to demotivate you. I'm trying to motivate you guys and what is the best way of learning and all. So a lot of people stop here because while building the framework because they want to avoid the problems. They don't want to take any pain. That's the reason they are stopping. Not only you, even I will be stopping at some point of time. But I need to recognize them. What are the areas that I'm afraid of? Am I in comfort zone? Okay. Why I'm not able to achieve that some other person is able to achieve? Am I limiting my brain somewhere? I'm not able to, I'm not allowing my brain to go and solve the challenges. Is something you have to observe consciously and take the necessary steps and solve them. Okay. So that's the way of doing the stuff, guys. Okay, that's the way of doing the stuff. If you want to get successful in your life, this is the only way. Accept the pain. Pain will help you, guys. Pain is not bad. Pain will help you. And with that pain, you have to go and identify what are your limitations and focus on all the limitations. Write all your limitations on the paper. Why this is why I'm not successful in my life. Write all this. It may be career or personal life or whatever it is. That limitations go one by one and try to crack them. Okay. Take that pain and solve them. Take that pain, extra pain and solve them. Then everything will be in your control. Okay. So we have to apply a lot of logics, guys. Okay. When you are doing the stuff. Okay. Fine. So here, select height icon. Already have mentioned here. So I'll just uncomment this part. I'll uncomment this code and go back here. It's kind of lengthy. That's okay. Don't worry about lengthy. Lengthy scripts can be there. That's okay. A lot of repetitions will be there. Okay. Heart options dot select heart icon. Okay. Now here I want to get the title. So I don't want to write these commands. Am I writing this get title commands anywhere? Get text, send keys, click commands. Am I writing? After implementing the page object model page factory, am I writing this click commands, send keys commands anywhere? If you see the script, okay. Am I using the direct commands, Selenium WebDriver commands in the script? Here you see. Am I using any Selenium WebDriver scripts anywhere? Commands anywhere? Like enter. Send keys command will be there inside. If you go here, the send keys command is there inside it. Got it? Send keys command is there inside it. I am
Right.
hiding it, hiding the implementation. So in 23rd line, even this driver.getTitle is another command of Selenium WebDriver, yes or no? I should not be using in a raw format like this. The logic part of whether it may be Java or Selenium WebDriver command should not be there in your script. It should go to the next level. Some level it should go. So I thought that the best way of providing this get title command is in the base.java. So I created this method. Get page title method I created for which I am passing the driver. If I pass the driver, this is a hiding part. I'm hiding driver.getTitle command to be created in the direct script. I'm hiding at the framework level. Okay. So I'll just simply call this get page title command. Okay. Because it is a, base page is a base page is a parent page of all this register.java and all those stuff. Okay. Get page title method I'll write, page title method I'll write. And to this, I need to pass the driver, guys. How to pass the driver there? Currently on which page? Header options. Header options dot get driver, I'll say. Okay. Header options dot get driver. Okay. I'll say. I don't have to return any page class object, right? I don't have to get return any page class object. I just need to pass the driver. That's it. That's the reason I'm using get driver method. I'm using combination. Okay. In the root page, if you see, I'm using combination of page classes, returning the page classes with the driver. And if I want to separately return the driver also, I can return also. Okay. Depending on situations, I can use it. Here, navigating back. So here in the root page, we have in the base page, sorry, in the base page, navigating back to the browser method will be there. Copy that method, come back here and paste it here. And here, header options dot get driver you pass. That's it. Put a semicolon here. This is done. What is the next one then? What is the next one then? Here, driver dot find element. Control Shift O. By dot XPath. Here, what is this option, guys? From where this particular option is available? This is span contains text is called wish list. I'm clicking on this wish list link. I'm clicking on this wish list link option. I should be taken to the same login page. So what I will do here is I'll copy this XPath expression of the wish list header option. I'll go to in which page it should be there, in which page class it should be there, wish list header options. Go to the wish header options and create a web element here. Private web element, private web element. Okay, private web element, wish list header option, wish list header options. Put a semicolon here and write down @ find by XPath is equal to give the XPath expression, and create a method here. What is the method, guys? Public void. What is the method here I need to create? Public void select wish list option. Okay, anyhow, it's there in the header options. I don't have to say header options again. Wish list option I'll say. And here I'll simply say wish list header option dot click. When I click on this wish list, I know that you'll be taken to which page? Login page. Return name. Here only I'm creating the object. Do I have to get the driver again? No. Already I'm creating the object reference for the login page and returning that. So there is no need of returning the driver here. Okay. There is no need of only returning getting the driver here, because in the login page will come along with the driver. Okay. Object reference of the login page will come along with the driver. So here I'll write down header options dot select wish list option. This line will be gone. Once I select the wish list option, I'll be taken to which page? Login page. I'll be taken to which page? Login page.
Login page.
Okay, so here you can write login page if you want. Login page is equal to, and here I'll be writing, I want to get the title of the page. Get page title. Sorry. This part I need to copy. This method I'll copy here, get page title, and then I need to pass the driver here. Okay, whatever the driver that works fine. Sorry, where I'm writing here, right? Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Here I'll get the login page. Whether you can pass the driver from the login page or header options, both are fine, guys. Okay. Whether you want to pass the driver from the here login page dot driver also will work fine. Okay. Login page dot get driver also will work fine. Here also login page dot get driver. Here also it will work fine. Here also you can say contact us page also, whether header options or contact us. Okay. We can use both, not a problem. Both will have the same driver. So better to give the latest page. Why to give the older page? Okay. So here login page dot get driver, is done. And here select wish list option, login page is coming. And here write down get page title method, which is in the base class. And here I need to say login page dot get driver. Okay. This login page dot get driver you can say. And here also navigate back in the browser, login page dot get driver. Okay. Done. This is also done. Next one. Here, shopping cart. Where is shopping cart here? Shopping cart is here. Click on the shopping cart icon and you'll be taken to the shopping cart page. Okay, this is shopping cart icon. So in the header options, it should be there. Shopping cart should be there in the header options. Is there any private web element, shopping cart, header icon, at the rate, find by XPath is equal to, give the XPath expression and create a method here that is public void select shopping cart header icon. Shopping cart header icon, select the shopping cart header icon. Now what I need to write next? Shopping cart header icon dot click. And when I click on the shopping cart header icon, which page I'm taken to? Shopping cart page. Is that shopping cart page available here? Anywhere? Do you see the shopping cart page available here? Guys, the shopping cart page available here? No, right? So what I will do, I'll create an object reference for the shopping cart page. Class shopping cart page. Okay, whenever there is no page class for which we need to create the object reference and return, you have to create it one. Web driver, then here public constructor you give, that is shopping cart page, then pass driver, then write down this dot driver is equal to driver, this dot driver is equal to driver, then write down page factory dot init elements driver comma this. Okay, driver comma this, and here I need to make the shopping cart page extends root page. Okay, control shift O, and here I have to write super of driver. Okay, the here in the root pages super parent class, in that the constructor will be called and driver will be passed there also. Okay, now save this and copy this shopping cart page and come to the header options and simply say return new shopping cart page, and then pass the driver here, and then simply write shopping cart page. Save this. That's it. Done. Go back here to the register.java. And what I have to do here, header options dot,
Shopping cart.
yes, select shopping cart header icon. Okay, and this should return me the object reference of the shopping cart page. For the first time you are declaring it, shopping cart page. Over the mouse, create local variable and copy this. If you are declaring it for the first time, take it to the global level and paste it for now. Okay, and come down here. Shopping cart page is equal to header options dot select shopping cart header icon, and this part is gone. Then here get page title, I have to call this method get page title from the base page. Okay, get page title, and here I need to pass shopping cart dot get driver. Okay, get driver. Here also navigate back from the shopping cart page. I need to navigate back to the register account page. Okay, so I have to paste it here and simply say shopping cart page dot get driver. I need to pass it here also. Okay, once that is done, next one, then in the header options I need to select this shopping cart option this time. Shopping cart option I need to select this time. Okay, so copy this XPath expression of the shopping cart option, copy this and go to the header options and create a web element here, that is a private web element shopping cart option. Okay, header option otherwise. Okay, shopping cart header option, and here write down at the rate find by, then write XPath is equal to, give the XPath expression. Okay, give the XPath expression, save this, give the XPath expression and save this. Now go back here. That's the only thing, right? We have to create a method, I think so. So shopping cart header option, we have to create a method public void select shopping cart header option. Select shopping cart option, and here write down shopping cart header option dot click. When I click on this, you'll be taken to the shopping cart page. Copy this shopping cart page, save this, go back here. Here header you remove, because anyhow header options means header option only, right? Why to give it again? That's the reason I'm not giving that there. So here I need to write down header options dot header options dot get header options dot select shopping cart option, put a semicolon here to return you the shopping cart page is equal to then here this one is gone, and here get title of shopping this same thing, guys. Okay, this will be same, right? This line is same actually. Copy this and paste it here. And this navigating is also same. Okay. What next? What next is there here? Here, this is the next one. That is a share option is there. FA share. This is the one I think so. Checkout option. Here, checkout. This is a checkout option only. Checkout header option. Okay. Checkout header icon option. Private, private, web element, checkout, checkout, header icon, checkout, header icon, at the rate, find by, xpath, sorry, find by, xpath is equal to give that xpath expression. Now create a method here that is public void, select, select, checkout, icon, checkout, header icon, and here write down checkout header icon dot click. And when I click on the checkout option, I'll be taken to which page? I'll be taken to the shopping cart page. So I just need to return the object reference of the shopping cart page only here. And the return type should be shopping cart page here. Paste it and save back and go back here and simply write down here header options dot select uh, checkout icon and hover the mouse on this and shopping cart page. The return type will be shopping cart page here. Copy this and return the shopping cart page here. And here remove this line. Get page title. Create a method here and simply write down shopping cart page dot. So I'll do the same thing. I'll just copy this and I'll repeat the same thing here. Circular bracket is missing. That's okay. And here navigating back is also same. Shopping cart dot navigating back. And here checkout option. Here checkout option is there. If you click on the checkout option, you'll be taken to the shopping cart page only. So this option, this is a web element of the checkout option. Copy this and go to the header options and create a web element for the checkout option. Web element, checkout option. And here at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression. Give the xpath expression here. And create a method here that is a public void select checkout option. Select checkout option and create a method here and simply write down checkout option dot click. Checkout option dot click layout right. And here write down return new shopping cart page and then pass the driver here. Save this and shopping cart page you copy paste here. Now save this. Now save this. Okay, control shift control shift yes, all good. And then what next? Go back here and simply write down header options dot select checkout option. The return type will be shopping cart page only. Here remove this line and the last other two lines will be same. Copy paste and paste them here. Okay, done. Then next line, I need to click on this QFox link. Okay, this is a link text. Copy this qfox.com link and go to the header options and it should be done on header options only. Private web element, QFox link. Otherwise logo option, logo. Okay, logo will say. Okay, find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression and create a method public void logo select logo I'll say and here logo dot click. I'll say logo dot click. When we click on the logo, what will happen? From the register account page or any other page, if you click on the logo, you'll be taken to the landing page. Did we already create an object for the landing page here? Header options is there, contact us is there, account success page is there, login page is there, landing page is not there here. Okay. We need to create an object reference for the landing page here. On clicking on this logo, I'll be taken to the home page or landing page, whatever the page you call it. We can call it as a home page also. So let's create an object for the home page here. Create new class home page, let's say. Just name it to page. Okay. Then Control Shift O and hover the mouse, rename the file and here write on web driver, the semicolon here, public home page and then say driver. Then here this dot driver is equal to driver then page factory dot init elements driver comma this control shift O, and here write down extends root page, hold the mouse on this, import it, and here write down super of driver, put a semicolon here. Okay, save this guys, register page. Here I want to select the header options. Okay, let's go to the header options, and here when I click on the logo, I have to say return new object reference of the which page? Home page. Home page. I need to create the object reference of the home page and then pass the driver here. Okay, then pass the driver here. When I pass the driver here, and here the return type should be home page. Okay, done. Save this. Come back here and simply write down header options dot select logo option. Put a semicolon here. It will return you the object reference of the login page. Login page. Which okay, sorry. Here select logo. I selected login. Here I have to select logo, guys. It will return you the object reference of the home page. Home page. For the first time, we are going to declare this home page. We have to declare it, and after that, copy this part and take it to the global level so that you don't have to declare it multiple times during the script. Go down here to the 23rd test. Go down to the 23rd test and remove this home page here. Remove this home page and simply write down driver.find element. Driver.find element by dot link text. Okay, so how to do this? How to click on this qfox.com and sorry, header options dot select logo means this is nothing but done. Then once that is done, I have to get the title of the home page. So for that, get page title. Get page title. In that, you say homepage dot get driver. Okay, I want to get the driver. I want to pass the driver here. Otherwise, you'll get null pointer exception. Navigating back. Navigate back. From which page? Homepage dot get driver. Navigate back. That's it. You'll come to the register account page. Fine. Next one. What is the next one, guys? Here, what is this XPath expression? Button. You're clicking on the search button here. This is a button we are going to click. Okay. So this is on which page? Header options only. Search button, I'll say. Private. Private web element, search button, at the rate, find by. All the header section I'm providing here, and create a method here. Public void, click on search button. Click on search button, and here write down search button dot click. When I click on the search button, you will be taken to which page? Search results page. Already search page is there anywhere? No, search page is not there. Okay, this is a search page or search results page or whatever it is. Search page, I'll say for now. Right click new, create a class known as search page, and here create a web element, web driver, then public, create a constructor that is search page, then pass web driver you pass. Once you pass web driver, you say this dot driver is equal to driver, this dot driver is equal to driver, then page factory dot init elements, page factory dot init elements, driver comma this you have to write. Okay, then here extends root page, and here simply write super off. Since I know the code, I'm writing directly, guys, without resolving the errors. I'll simply directly say Control Shift O at the end. Everything will be resolved. Save this. So this is nothing but search page. We need to return the object reference of the search page here. Okay, we need to return the object reference of search page in the header options. Simply say return new search page, and say driver here, and say driver, guys. Put a semicolon here. Search page. Copy the search page and paste it here. Save this. Public search page, click on search button dot click, return new search page, then pass the driver here, save this, and go here, register.java, and here write down header options dot, click on, search button. It will return you the object reference of the return you the object reference of the search page. Or the mouse, declare it for the first time, copy this part, go to the global level, put a semicolon here, search page is equal to header options dot click on search button, and here we are clicking on the search button here, and here write down title, get page title, and here and search page dot get driver I'll say, and here navigating back, here also search page dot get driver you have to pass, navigating from the search page back to the register account page. Fine, that is also done. What is the next one? FA home. I think this is the one, I think so. Inspect this. No, not that one. Then what is your store? Double forward slash. What is this XPath expression? I need to find it out, guys. Control F, Control V. It's locating which option? Okay, this one, this home icon. Okay, this home icon is being clicked. Okay, we're clicking on that home icon. How to click on that home icon? Home breadcrumb, we can say. Okay, go to the header options and see whether that icon is already there. Home breadcrumb option is there. No. Create a web element for that. Private web element. Home breadcrumb. Home breadcrumb. Okay. You see, this home breadcrumb may be part of several pages, not only this page, guys. If you go to any other page also, register page also, you'll see this home breadcrumb. And if you go to the login page also, you'll see this home breadcrumb. Most of the pages it is there. So is it a good idea to create here or somewhere else? I'm
In
just
root
thinking.
page, we can create.
In root page? Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the home root page there. Instead of creating it here, let's go to the root page. Where is the root page? Root page. Root page can be, all the elements of the root page will be accessed in any page class. So that's the reason we are creating it here. Create that. And here write down @find by. Give the XPath expression. Yes. Because it is common for most of the pages. So let's move to the root page. That's what is the idea we got. That's correct. Whatever you thought is right. And here go to the, if any problems come, we'll rectify. So we'll just take this and go to the root page here and paste it here. And create a method here. Public void. Public void. I want to public void select home breadcrumb option. Select home breadcrumb option. Okay, I can simply say home breadcrumb dot click. If I say home breadcrumb dot click, if I click on this, what will happen, guys, when I click on the home breadcrumb option? Which page you will be taken to? The home page you are taken to. So return new home page and then pass the driver here, put a semicolon here, and the return type should be home page. Already we created this home page recently. So over the mouse and import this. Done. Save. Then go back to the register.java and here write down. I can take it from any places, from any place I can select on the, okay, maybe using header options I can say, or, I'll say header options dot select header options dot home breadcrumb option. Okay, better to give lowercase c. Where is that root page, and here I'll give c lowercase. Okay, crumb. Come back here. Okay, done. It will return you the object reference of the home page. Home page is equal to, you will say. Then this part is gone. Then I'm on the home page. So here I'll take it page title. I'll say get page title, and here I'll say homepage dot get driver. Done. Next one, take this part and simply write down homepage dot get driver. That's it. Done. Next one. Next one is account breadcrumb. Go to the register page. Here account breadcrumb is there. We are on to click on the account breadcrumb. Account breadcrumb also is on different places, but login page, do we have account? Yes. Gift certificates, do we have account? Yeah, most of the pages it's there. Na? Account page is also there in most of the pages. So it's better to move this also to the root page. Okay. If it is common across multiple pages, better to move such kind of locates instead of to the respective pages to the root page so that we can access from anywhere. Okay. Either if using header options, you can say, or whatever the things you want to do, you can do that. Okay. So here, private web element, account, breadcrumb. Okay. @ find by XPath is equal to, give the XPath expression. Now create a method here that is public void. Create a method here that is public void. Select account, breadcrumb, option. Okay, on the root level, I'm creating here, on the root parent page, I'm creating this, and account breadcrumb dot click, I'll say, account breadcrumb dot click, I'll say. Okay, then once I click on this account breadcrumb, what will happen? From any page, if you go to the register page and click on the account breadcrumb, which page you are taken to, login page you are taken to, if you're not logged in. So return new login page, and then pass the driver here, and here return type should be login. It depends, guys. Okay, it depends on from where you are clicking. Without login, I'll write otherwise. Okay, because with login it will be different. With login it will be different. Without login is different. So I'll just create a method like this. So tomorrow, if I need to go to a different page after login, it will take you to the account page actually. Okay, but without logging in, if you click on the account breadcrumb, it should take you to the login page. Okay, save this. So multiple methods are required there. Here, header options dot select account breadcrumb option without login, and here it will return you the object reference of the login page. Login page is equal to, and here remove this part, and here whether I am navigated to the login page or not, I need to see. For that, I have to say get title, sorry, get title, and here write down login page dot get driver. Then here also navigate back. Uh, Here login page dot get driver. Okay, done. Next, this one. What is this? Restart breadcrumb. Okay. Restart breadcrumb. If you go to the restart page only, restart breadcrumb will be there. Restart breadcrumb will not be on any other page. So it should be specific to the restart page. Okay. Should be specific to the register page actually. It should be there on the register page only. Okay. The register breadcrumb will be there on the register page only, not on any other pages. Okay. So copy this register account. Sorry, copy this XPath expression of the register breadcrumb. And this will be there on the register page only. Go to the register page here. And here, once you go to the register page, create a method here. Already, did I create the register breadcrumb anywhere here? Let's see. Register page breadcrumb. Already it is there. Okay. Control F, breadcrumb. Okay. Anywhere I have used breadcrumb, I'm just checking. One place I've used, this is the one. Here, I'll write public void. Select register breadcrumb option. Here, I'll write down register breadcrumb dot click. If I click on this register breadcrumb, which page I'll be taken? Same register page only I'll be taken to. No other page. Okay. Return new register page, and pass the driver here. Same the register page only. It will be there. Save this. Come back here and write down here register page dot get dot select register breadcrumb option, and here it should return you the object reference of the register page is equal to, now say register page, say get page title. I don't have to navigate back here. Yeah, get title, and here write down register page dot get driver. That's it. Next one, login page. Login page link. There is a login page link on the register account page. In the register account page, is there a login page link already? Did I create that web element for the login page? I didn't create, I think so. I'll create a web element here, public web element, login page option. Login page option. or link at the rate find by. I think that is a link text. I think so. It's a link text. Copy this link text locator. Copy this and go to that register page and here write down link text is equal to give that link text locator. Create a method here that is public void select login page option. Select login page option and here write down login page option dot click login page option dot click. Here login page dot click. You will be taken to which page? Login page. So here you have to say return new login page and then pass the driver here. Put a semicolon here and simply write the return type login page here. That's it. Save this. Come back to that and here register page dot select login page option and it will return you the login page is equal to and here I have to say get page title of get page title. Sorry, what was that? Get page title. Then login page dot get driver and here navigating back login page dot get driver here also done. That is also done. Next one here login right column option. This is right column options. This is okay. Login right column option. So this is already maybe there in the right column options. I'll close all this stuff, guys. Okay. Save. Open the register page and right column options. Where are the right column options? Right column options. The right column options. Register option is there. Logout option is there. Two options are only there. Okay. But I'm trying to select on the which option? Login option. I think so. 23rd.
Arun, how did you close all the page at once? Can you please tell the shortcut?
Right click here and say close all option. Here. Multiple pages are there means right click here. Close means only current will close and close all means everything will get closed. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
So these are the pending ones, guys, that we have to complete. Okay, to complete this particular thing. It's a very lengthy one, I know, but a lot of page classes will be created as part of this test, and a lot of things are there here. That's okay, but we have to do this at any cost. Okay, copy this right column option and go to the right column options, and here create a web element that is private web element right column option. So what is that? Sorry, login right column option. Login option. Login option also is fine. Login option. Otherwise, login option. Login option, put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give that xpath expression, save this, create a method that is public void, click on login option, then say login option dot click, login option dot click. When I click on the login option, what will happen? For example, on the register page I am and on the register page I am available and I'm from the register page, I'm selecting the login option. You are taken to the login page. So return new login page and then pass the driver here. Okay. The semicolon here and this login page you take and paste it here. That's it. Done. Now save this. Go back here and simply write down register page dot select not register right column options, right? Sorry. Right, right, right column options dot select not click on login option, a semicolon. This will give you the return you the login page. Okay. You'll take into the login page and here need to remove this part and here get title method is there. And here I have to say login page dot get driver. And here navigating back also from the login page, navigate back to the register page. So login page dot get driver. Fine, done. So that part is done. Then what is the next one? Here, after going to the register page again, here register option I need to click this time. Again, I am navigating back and to select the register option this time. Copy this. Already register option is there, I think so. Right column options dot click on register option is already there. I don't have to create again. So this will take you to the register page, And here, remove this line and simply write down get title, get page title, paste that here and say register page dot get driver. Done. Next one, register page dot get driver. What's the next one here? Next one is, okay, this part is done, right? Here, all the right column options will come one by one. Forgotten password option will come now. So go to the right column options and create the web element, that is a private web element forgotten password option. Write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to, give that xpath expression and create a method here that is public void. Click on forgotten password option. Click on forgotten password option and here write down forgotten password dot click, forgotten password dot click here. Okay, then here return new forgotten. Which page you are taken to? Let's see, forgotten password. If you click on that, you will be taken to the forgotten password page. Is the forgotten password page available here anywhere? No, right? So we have to create one. Let's create the forgotten password page. Right click here, new class, forgotten password page. Create something like public web driver. Sorry, web driver driver. Sorry, web driver driver. Then public constructor, that is forgotten password page. Then pass web driver driver. This dot driver is equal to driver page factory dot init elements driver comma this, then super of driver, put a semicolon here and extends root page, control shift O, done. Save this. Here right column options and here say return new and then pass the driver here, put a semicolon here, copy this, paste it here, save all, come back here to the register.java and here write down right column options dot click on forgotten password option, select this, should be taken to the forgotten password page. Hold the mouse on this, create, declaring for the first time, copy this and take it to the global level here. Take it to the global level, put a semicolon here. Now save this and come down, 23rd test. Here, remove the double declaration and here remove this line, this is done. Next thing is get page title and here forgotten password page dot get driver. Then here navigating back, copy this, paste it here, forgotten password page dot get driver. That's fine. Next one is my account right column option. Copy this my account right column option. Copy this and go to the right column options and see my account is there or not there. Private web element my account option Put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression. Save this. Create a method here that is public void click on my account sorry click on my account option, then circular brackets and simply write down my account option dot click, and here write down return new once you click on the my account option, which page you are taken to. For example, you are on the register page and you are clicked on the my account option, you'll be taken to the login page for now. Write like this for now, driver, put a semicolon and here login page, save this and here write down right column options dot click on write RIGHT column options dot click on my account option should be taken to the login page without logging in. If you click on the my account option, it will be taken to the login page is equal to. Then here remove this line. The next thing is that I need to verify get page title and then write on login page dot get driver. Here navigating back, login page dot navigate back. Login page dot get driver of navigating back. Done. Then this one, this is next right column option address book. Copy this address book. Right column option address book is there? No. Private web element address book option. Put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression. Save this. Once you save this, create a method here that is public void. Click on my account. Sorry, my click on address book, right here book actually address book option. Put a semicolon here. Sorry, create a method here and here write down address book option dot click. Most of the options will take you to the login page, guys. Without logging in, if you click on this all these options, right, they will take you to the address book. Also will take you to the login page only. Okay, so create a new login page for now. Save this, copy this method, paste that, save this, come back here, then write down login page is equal to right column options dot click on address book option, put a semicolon here and remove this line. The next one, so get page title. I think these two lines are same. Copy these two lines and paste it here. You don't have to do a lot of hard work there. And here this is wish list option. Private web element wish list option. Put a semicolon here at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression. Save this. Create a method here that is public void. Click on wish list option and here wish list option dot click return new login page will be taken to the login page here. The return type will be login page here. Save this, save all. Register page. So write down here, right column options dot click on wish list option. Select this. Return you the object reference of the login page. Login page is equal to, and here write down, remove this line. Get page title. Same lines, right? I think I need to copy paste better to save the time. And here, order history option, order history right column option. Go here, create a web element, private web element, order history option. Put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression and create a method here that is a public void. Click on order history option. Put a semicolon. Put a method here. Create a method here and say order history option dot click, and it'll be taken to the login page here also. Without logging in, if you select the order history, you'll be taken to the login page. Copy this, paste this here, save this, come back here, and simply write down login page is equal to right column options, right column options dot click on order history page, order history option. It will okay. Then remove this line and here write down get page title, and here say login page dot get driver, and here navigate back. I think this is same. Copy paste these two lines and paste it here. It will be same. And next one, downloads, copy this downloads and right column options and create a web element here that is private web element downloads option, put a semicolon here and write down find by find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression. Create a method here that is a public void, click on downloads, click on downloads option, create a method here, copy this, click, then return new login page of driver, copy this login page and paste this here, save this, okay, and here I'll write down click on which one guys, downloads option, put a semicolon, and these two lines will be same. Paste it here, done. Next one, a lot of things are there still. Next one, recurring payments. Copy this, create a web element here, private web element, recurring payment, recurring payments option, and here write down find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression, and here create a method that is public void, click on recurring payments option, put a semicolon here and create a method here, and here write down recurring payments option dot click dot click, and here return new login page, then pass the driver here, put a semicolon, copy this login page and paste it here, done. Save this guys, then go back here and here write down login page. Most of the things will be very easy, it will be very faster here, okay, you don't have to think much here. Click on click on right column options, recurring payments option, and these two lines will be same, login page only. Copy this and paste it here, done. Next one, reward points, right column options, and here create a web element that is private web element that is reward points option, put a semicolon here and write down find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression, and here create a method that is here the similar method will be created. Copy this method and save this, and here reward points, you say reward points option, and here reward points dot click and return the object reference of the login page, everything is same. Save this and here write down login page is equal to right column options dot click on reward dot click on reward points dot click on reward points option, and here remove this line, and here write down get page title sorry, get page title login page dot get driver. I think these two lines will be same, copy paste to save the time, done. Next one, returns right column option, private web element returns option, put a semicolon here at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression, create a method that is public void, click on returns option dot click, and here it should return the object reference of the login page, then copy the login page and paste it here, done. Save this, come back here, register.java here and simply write down login page is equal to right column options dot click on returns option, put a semicolon here and here copy these two lines and paste it here, it will be repeated part, and here transactions Copy this transactions, right column option. Create a method, web element, private web element, transactions option. Create a web element here. Xpath is equal to give that xpath expression, and here create a method. Copy this method, paste it here, and simply write down transactions. Okay, click on transactions option, and should return the object reference of the login page. Now register.java, and here write down login page, right column options, dot, click on transactions option, put a semicolon here. Okay, and here write down get page. These two lines will be same. These two lines will be same, guys. These two lines will be same. Copy this and paste it here. The next one, newsletter. Create a web element. Private web element. Sorry. Newsletter. Newsletter option. Put a semicolon here. At the rate. Find by. Xpath is equal to. Give that Xpath expression. Create this method. Copy this. And create this method. And here write down newsletter option. Newsletter option. And here write down newsletter option dot click. And it should take you to the login page most probably. You click on the newsletter, you should be taken to the login page only. Yeah, done. Let's go back here and simply write down login page. Login page is equal to, write down login page is equal to right column options dot click on what was the last option, guys? Newsletter, right? Newsletter option. Put a semicolon here, and the last two lines will be same. Just copy paste here. The next one, let's keep on going with the next one. About us, footer, about us, footer option. Okay, right column options are completed. We'll go to the footer options. All these footer options are there. One by one, we have to go with the footer options. Double forward slash footer a text is equal to about us. Copy this and create the right column options here and create a web element here, private. Sorry, not in the right column options. Should not be creating these footer options in the right column options. So let's close this right column options and close all this stuff, and then open only register.java. Here footer options related stuff anywhere is there. Footer options page is not there. Create a new class. Say footer options. Footer options. Don't have to say it as a page. It is a footer options section, right? So that's okay. Here write down web driver, and here write down public footer options, then web driver driver driver, and here write down this dot driver is equal to driver, then page factory dot init elements driver comma this, and here extends root page, and here super off driver, and then control shift O. That's it. Everything will be imported. Now here in the footer options, we'll create a lot of web elements here. Copy this XPath expression, footer of about us footer options, private web element, private web element, about us, footer option, about us, otherwise about us option, I'll say. Anyhow, it is a footer option space class only, right? I'll simply say about us option. And here write down it find by XPath is equal to control shift O. And here create a method that is public void, select about us option. And here write down about us option, dot click. You see, when you select this from the register account page, if you select the about us, you will be taken to the about us page. Here, about us page is there? No, it's not there. You need to create. So here, go to the pages and create a new class that is about us page. Click on finish, and here create web driver, and here write down public about us page, about us page, and then here web driver, then here super opt driver. Okay, then here extends root page, which is same, and here this dot driver is equal to driver. Then here page factory dot init elements, page factory dot init elements driver comma this control shift O. This dot driver is called driver. What is going wrong here? Did I do any mistakes? Public about us page web driver. Sorry. Yeah.
Spelling mistake.
Driver spelling mistake, right? Yeah. Save this. Yeah, correct. Then we are in the about us page, and here I'll go to the footer options, and here return new object reference of which page? About us page, and then pass the driver here. Okay, and here driver. Sorry, about us page, Save this, and here register.java, and here write down about us page is equal to footer options dot. Okay, sorry. 1 minute. Here, what I need to do is I need to first create an object reference for the footer options. Let's create an object reference for the footer options here. Import it and come down here. Here, write down footer options dot select about us option, and here over the mouse it will return you the object reference of the about us page. About us page is equal to over the mouse. Declare this. Copy this. Take to the global level and paste it here. Come down here. Then here write down get title. Here write down about us page dot get driver, and you'll be taken to the about us page. We know that, and we'll be navigating back to the same page, register account page. For that, about us page dot get driver will write. Most of the things will be same, guys. Okay, but here all these are the footer options. Delivery information footer option. Just go and create the web element here. Private web element. What is that, guys? Okay, what is the next one? Delivery information. Delivery information option. Put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression and create a method here that is public void select delivery information option. Select delivery information option, and here write down delivery information option dot click, and here write down return new. If I select this delivery information, to which page I'm taken to? Delivery information page. So I need to create the page class for the delivery information page. Create a new class delivery information page, and here web driver public delivery information page web driver driver. Then here write down this this dot driver is equal to driver. Then page factory dot init elements, page factory dot init elements driver comma this control shift O, and here write down extends root page, over the mouse on this and say import this, and here write down super out driver, put a semicolon here, save this. Okay, now go to the footer options and say return new delivery information page, and then pass the driver here, put a semicolon here, copy this delivery information, paste it here. That's it. Save this, come back, and here write down delivery information page is equal to footer options dot select delivery information option, put a semicolon here and declare this, take it to the global level. Come down again, remove the double declaration, and here remove this line, and then get title, and here delivery information dot get driver. Then here navigate back to the register account page and delivery information page dot get driver. And then here next one, privacy policy footer option, private web element, privacy policy option, put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to, create a method here that is public void select privacy policy option. Here write down privacy policy option dot click, and here return new. Which page should be written here? We should be taken to which page? Select the privacy policy and you should be taken to the privacy policy page. Create a page class for the privacy policy page. Privacy policy page, and here write down web driver is equal to new, sorry web driver public privacy policy page, then web driver, then this dot driver is equal to driver, then page factory dot init elements driver comma this then extends root page, then super of driver, put a semicolon here, control shift O, that's it, done. So here in the footer options, I need to return the page class of this privacy policy page. Return new privacy policy page, then pass the driver here. Okay, put a semicolon here and here privacy policy page, copy this, done. Save this. Once you save this, go back to the restart.java. Here write down footer options dot select privacy policy option, and here privacy policy page is equal to, declare it for the first time, copy this, go to the top level, paste it, put a semicolon here, go down here, privacy policy page, here get page title, privacy policy page dot get driver, copy this, privacy policy page dot get driver, privacy policy page dot get driver, get page title, get driver. Okay, fine. The next one is terms and conditions. Copy this, go to the footer options, create a web element, private web element, and here terms and conditions option, and here write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression and create a method here that is public void select terms and conditions option, create a method, and here write down terms and conditions dot click footer options dot click, and once I click on this, I'll be taken to which page? Click on this, I'll be taken to the terms and conditions page. Okay, I need to create the page class for the terms and conditions page. Create a class terms and conditions page, and create a method, create web driver driver here, then Control Shift O, public, terms and conditions page, web driver, then this dot driver is equal to driver page factory dot init elements, page factory dot init elements, driver comma this, okay, driver comma this, and here extends root page, Control Shift O, then here super of driver, put a semicolon here, save this, okay. Here in the footer options, return new object reference of the terms and conditions page, and then pass the driver here, put a semicolon here, copy this, paste it here, save this, reset page, here write down footer options, dot select terms and conditions option, here terms and conditions page is equal to, for the mouse, create the element, declare the page, go to the top, put a semicolon here, go to the 23rd line, remove the double declaration here, remove this line, get page title, and here terms and conditions dot get driver, navigate back, terms and conditions page dot get driver here also. Next one, contact us page, copy this contact us page, footer options, create a web element, private web element, contact us option, and here write down at the rate find by, xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression, and here create a method that is public void select contact us option. Select contact us option. Here contact us option dot click, and here return new. Just click on this contact us option and you'll be taken to the contact us page. Already contact us page is created somewhere, I remember. Return new contact us page. Then pass the driver here, put a semicolon here, copy the contact us page, and return type should be the same. Save this, and here write down footer options dot select contact us page option, and here return type will be contact us page is equal to, okay, remove this thing, and here get title method, get title, and here contact us page dot get driver, and here navigate back, contact us page dot get driver. Next one, terms and conditions, again terms and conditions, okay, already terms and conditions is done now. Here returns is there somehow, okay, this should not be the thing, you should remove this part. Here terms and conditions already done, contact us, returns is there, okay. Okay, let's work on the returns now. Copy this, paste it here, private web element returns option, and here write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression, create a method here that is public void select returns option, then here returns option dot click, and here if I select the returns option, you'll be taken to which page? Product returns page. Return new. I think we need to create the page class for the product returns page. Right click here, select new class, product returns page, then web driver, then public product returns page, then pass the then web driver, then web driver, then control shift O, this dot driver is equal to driver, then page factory dot init elements, driver comma, this, and here extends root page, and here control shift O, and here super of driver. Put a semicolon here, control shift O, save this. Okay, product returns. Here footer options dot select returns option. Select returns option here. And by selecting that, you'll be taken to the return type is not mentioned here. Okay. I have to say return new, product, returns page of driver. Return type will be product returns page, object reference. Save this, come back here, and here write down over the mouse, product returns page, product returns page is equal to, then copy this, hold the mouse and declare it for the first time, copy this and go to the top level and declare it at a global level here, put a semicolon here, come down and remove the double declaration here, and then next one. Okay, remove this part. The next one here is get page title, method you are calling from the base class. Yeah, here, and product returns dot get driver. Here, navigate back, and here product returns dot get driver. Okay, done. This one sitemap. If I click on the sitemap, I'll be taken to the sitemap page. So here, copy this XPath expression of the sitemap footer option. Go here, create a web element for the sitemap page, private web element, sitemap option, put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by XPath is equal to, give the XPath expression and create a method here that is public void, select sitemap option, create a method, and here write down sitemap option dot control Z dot click, and here return new will be taken to the sitemap page. So we have to create the page class for the sitemap page. Create a new class, sitemap page. Here, web driver, web driver, 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 control shift O, then public sitemap page, then web driver. Okay. Then this dot driver is equal to driver page factory dot init elements driver comma this. Okay, then extends root page, control shift O, then super of driver, put a semicolon here and save this. Go to the footer options and simply say return new sitemap page, and then pass the driver here, put a semicolon, copy the sitemap page and return type, mention there as and register.java, and here footer options dot select sitemap option, and this will return you the object reference of the sitemap page. Sitemap page is equal to, declare this for the first time. Once declared, copy this and take it to the global level. Put a semicolon here, come down here. Okay. Remove the double declaration and here remove this line. And here we have to verify whether we have navigated to sitemap page. For that, get page title, I am verifying. Get page title and say sitemap.getDriver. Sitemap.getDriver. Once that is done, navigate back in browser and simply write down sitemap page.getDriver. Then next one, brands page, brands footer option. Over the mouse and click on the brands and you will be taken to which page here? Brand page. So here, go to the footer options and create a web element here. Private web element, brands option. brands option, and here at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression of that brands and create a method here public void select brands option, select brands option, and here write down brands option dot click, and here return new. I need to create a page class for the brand page now. It's a brand page, right? Brand page. I need to create the page class. Right click new class. Right click new class. Right click new class. Brand page. And here write down web driver public brand page, public brand page. Then web driver, and here then next one is Control Shift O. This dot driver is equal to driver. Then page factory dot init elements driver comma this. Then here extends root page. Control Shift O, and here super of driver. Okay, that's it. Save this, and here go to the footer options and say return new object reference of the brand page, and then pass the driver here, put a semicolon, and return type should be brand page here. Save this, register.java, and here write down footer options dot select brands option. Here return type should be brand page is equal to create, copy this, create the web element here, put a semicolon here, brand page. Okay, and here get page title, and here write down brand page dot get get driver, and here navigate back to browser, copy this, paste this, and here write down brand page dot get driver. Few more items are left out, guys. We'll complete this, and we'll end it for today. For today, we'll try to complete till here. Okay, that's the plan. So almost there. Copy this. Gift certificates. Gift certificates footer option. Click on this gift certificates. You'll be taken to the gift certificate page. You'll be taken to the gift certificate page. Here, write down footer options. Private web element. Okay. Gift certificates. Gift certificates. Certificates option. And here write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression, create a method here that is public void select gift certificates option method, and here write down gift certificates dot click, then here write down return new, then write down return new. What is the page I created here? Gift certificates page. Did I create the gift certificates page yet? No, right? So let me create the page class for let me close all. You see a lot of options are there here. Otherwise, I'll just close like this for a while. Okay. So I need to create the page class for the gift certificate page. So here, right click here and select new class, gift certificate page, and here write down web driver, web driver, put a semicolon and say public gift certificate page, and then pass the driver here, pass the web driver here, then control shift O, then write down this dot driver is equal to driver. Save this gift certificate page. Okay, then page factory dot init elements driver comma this, then extends root page, and here hover the mouse on this and import this, and here write down super of driver, Control Shift O, save this, and here go to the footer options and simply say return new gift certificate page, and then pass the driver. Put a semicolon here, copy this and paste it here. Now save this. Now go back to the register.java and say here footer options dot select select gift certificates option, and here write down over the mouse on this. The return type should be gift certificate page. Gift certificate page is equal to over the mouse create local variable. Copy this guys. Go to the top and here paste it here. Put a semicolon here and go down here. Here write down get page title. Get page title. Then gift certificate page dot get driver. Done. Then here navigate back in browser. Then get certificate page dot get driver. Okay, done. Next one, affiliate. What will happen if I click on the affiliate option? I'll be taken to the login page here. Okay. So here, affiliate right column option. Footer option. Private web element. Private web element. Affiliate option. And here write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression here. And here create a method here that is public void select affiliate option, and here affiliate option dot click. Then here return new login page, right? Login page. Then pass the driver here, the semicolon here, and simply say login page. Okay, done. Save this and come back here and write down login page. Login page is equal to footer options dot select affiliate option. Put a semicolon here. Get page title. Login page dot get driver. Then navigate back. How to navigate it back? Then login page dot get driver. Specials. Copy this specials footer option. Specials footer option. Click on this specials footer option. Here special offers will be there. Copy this specials.
Where you declare this navigate back in browser,
This method base class.
base class, okay. Login page dot
We
get
create
driver.
all this get title, get page URL, navigate back. Today only I created, right? This one, if you
Okay.
remember.
Yes.
So it's a common method. So it is not dealing with any element. Okay. First of all, it's not dealing with any element. You see, it's a browser level commands are there. All these commands. Okay. All the browser level common commands. I'm moving to the,
Base
so that I
class.
don't want to write driver dot something here. Okay. Something like that. Okay. That's the
Okay.
reason. I don't want to use any commands in my script.
Okay.
So the best place I found for now is to move to the base.java. Okay. It's not like strictly you have to move to base.java, strictly you have to move to root page. It's not like that. You see, with your common sense, you can understand that, okay, over a period of time. Okay. No need to remember everything. Okay. So simple. Fine then. Okay. So here, footer option specials. Okay. Let's go to specials. Special offers we have to be taken to. So here for specials, right, I copied that footer options and create a web element here. Private web element. Here, option. Specials option. Put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression and create a method here that is a public void select specials option. Create a method here and simply say specials option dot click. Control Z and say specials option dot click. And here write down return new. We don't know which page it is taking to, special offers page. Okay, so let's create a new page. Special offers page. Okay, here write down web driver, then public special offers page. Here web driver, and here write down this dot driver. This dot driver is equal to driver. Then write down page factory dot init elements, page factory dot init elements, driver this. Okay, and here control shift O, then here extends root page, control shift O. So here super off driver, put a semicolon here, then save this. And now put options return new special offers page, and then special offers page, then pass the driver here, the semicolon here, and copy the special offers page, paste it here. Now come back and here write down footer options dot select special options. This will return you the object reference of the special offers page. Special offers page is equal to, over the mouse on this and say create, over the mouse on this and declare it for the first time. Copy this and take it to the global level. Put a semicolon here, go down, 23rd test. Remove this line, get page title, special offers page dot get driver, and here navigate back in browser, and here write down special offers page dot get driver, and here my account footer option. Here go here and select my account footer option, and it is taking you to the login page. Copy this and go to the footer options, and here write down private web element. Okay, what is that? My account, right? My account option, put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression, and yeah, create a method here that is public void select my account option, okay, my account option, and simply say my account option dot click, and here return new login page, you're going to take into the login page when I click on the my account option without logging in. So pass the driver here, put a semicolon and simply say login page, put a return type and select this, save this, and here write down footer options. From the footer options, you have to select the my account option. Select my account option. Mute yourself, guys.
आ गया अरे वो गया सॉरी
Yeah, Pranav, you can mute yourself. Okay, I got a question. I think I got the question at 13 yet, but I'm seeing now. Pranav, for register page, how much percentage is done? We are now at the end, almost there. Okay. It's not the register page related automation. It's related to the framework. Okay. We are implementing the
yes
framework
yes
now. Okay. We are implementing
yes
the framework. So
so
framework will take time.
okay
Because you see, this is a one-time effort, right? This will be reused in the next functionalities. Okay. You cannot consider this as register. Okay. So all these options will be again there on the other page also, right? At that time, you have to do the hard work. No, right?
no,
Simply footer options dot select affiliate option. You will write there. Okay. Like that. Okay. So initial things will be taking time. Okay,
okay
over a period of time, what will happen? Your way of the speed at which you are going to write the automation scripts by using this framework will become easier. Okay, initially it will be difficult. Okay, you'll get the fruits later. Okay,
okay
so that's the thing. Okay, so be patient. Okay, so that's okay. Login page is equal to, and then here write down. Uh, Almost this is left out. Only three elements are left out. Okay, let's go with that. Here, get page title. Copy this method. Sorry, site. Come back here. Login page dot get driver. Done. And here navigating back. If there is navigating back, write down this one and simply write down login page dot get driver here. Done. Next one, order history, guys. Next one is order history. Copy this order history link and let's see what exactly it's taking us to. We have to verify, okay? Order history. If I click on the order history, to which page you are taken to? Login page only, okay? So it will not be that much difficult. Okay, order history. What are the footer options? Private, web element, order history, at the rate, find by, xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression and create a method here. Same method you create, same method you copy paste because it will also return the login page only. And here select order history option, and here order history dot click, and here should return you the login page only. Okay, that's it. Done. Save this. Go back here and here write down footer options. Footer options dot select order history option. Put a semicolon here. Hover the mouse. Login page. Login page. This script is very lengthy, right? That's okay. Okay, but we are creating a lot of page classes here because of this script. It will be useful for us in the upcoming sessions. Okay, fine. Login page dot get driver. Navigate back browser and login page dot get driver. That's all good. Save. Then wish list. Copy this wish list and see what exactly. Go to the page and click on this wish list option, footer option, and see it's taking you to the again same login page only. Go back here the footer options and create a web element that is private web element wish list option at the rate find by xpath is equal to, give that xpath expression of the wish list and create a method here that is public void select wish list option, and here write down wish list option dot click, and here we need to return the object reference of the login page, and here login page, copy this login page, save this, come back here and simply write down footer options dot select wish list option, put a semicolon here, and it will take you to the login page. Login page is equal to and these two lines will be same. Copy paste these two lines. Here also login page only. I'll just already copy pasting it way before it came. Newsletter. Again, newsletter option came. Already newsletter came somewhere now. Don't remember that. Okay, this newsletter maybe. This is another footer option newsletter. Copy this newsletter footer option and create a web element here. Private web element newsletter option. Put a semicolon. Last one, guys, at the rate find by xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression and create a method here. Copy the same method. It will be almost same. Here, select newsletter option. Select newsletter option. So here, newsletter option dot click. Save this. Go here and write down login page. Login page is equal to footer options dot select newsletter option. Put a semicolon here. Then here remove this line. Here remove this line, and here the two lines will be same. That's okay. Same. Done. Okay. We are done. Successfully removing the hard coding of the locators from the remaining test, that is 23rd test. Remaining all are completed, guys. Let's see whether this is working fine or not. Whatever the hard work we have done today will be helpful for us in the upcoming sessions. Okay. Okay. The script is failing, guys. Somehow the script is failing. Can't invoke login page dot get driver because this login page is null. Okay. Null pointer exception you are getting. Which line you are getting? You see some issues are coming. That's okay. 949th line. Here it is not working. Okay. So hold the mouse on this, and here login page I didn't create a. Okay, then save this again and run the test again to see what is happening here. Some issues are coming here, that's okay. Okay, it's working fine now. Any issues are there, it will fail. Okay, again it failed. Which line it failed again? No such, unable to locate the element qfox.com. No such element exception. In which line we got this exception? We have to see. Register 972. Select logo. Go to the select logo here. And in this logo dot click, where is logo here? Logo. Xpath is equal to qfox.com is created there. So here inspect this. Is that XPath or link text? It's link text, guys. Sorry, I gave it as XPath. Link text is equal to, we have to write link text is equal to, okay. Then it will be okay. Save this. Again, run the test this time. There was a mistake in the script. You see, this kind of things happen. That's okay. During migration, things may happen. Small issues are coming. That's okay. But we should keep rectifying them and run the script so that it will work fine there. Okay. Again, it failed. Which line? This time null pointer exception came. Right column options dot click on login option is null. Which line? 995. Okay. So here we are on the login page. Suddenly we went to the right column and this is not working here. And you are getting null pointer exception. The reason behind that is you need to get the driver maybe. How to overcome this problem? Simply write down right column options is equal to login page dot get right column options. Okay. Now let's run this and see whether it is working fine or not. 995, right? 995 I need to run. Some issues are coming. We are rectifying and running them, guys, one by one. So whenever you get null pointer exception, you have to understand that driver is not getting passed and we have to take the steps to pass the driver. Okay. One by one, options are getting clicked and pages are getting navigated and being verified here. Forgotten password, my account, address book, wish list, order history, downloads, recurring payments, reward points, returns, transactions, newsletter, and it failed. The footer option is failing now.
Footer object we have to create.
Yeah, footer options. Yes. Footer options dot select. Here it is in the 1047. Suddenly we went to,
We have to create
yes.
footer object.
Yes, we need to create the object reference for the footer options here. So we have to say footer options is equal to uh, from where we can get login page, we can get, not a problem. Login page dot get right column of footer options are not there here in the okay, in the base in the, sorry, root page. In the root page we are creating some classes, right? So go here and here create one more thing. Create one more method, that is get footer options. Okay, don't say page, but you say footer options. And here return the object reference of the footer options over the mouse. Okay, it's not there. Footer options, footer, FOOTER, OPTIONS. Import done. Okay, it's working fine. Save this, come back here, and here write down anything dot get footer options. Okay, like this you write down. I think from here footer options will be there and it will be working fine. Wherever you are getting null pointer, just try to do this kind of stuff. Okay, try to get the latest driver. Try to get the latest instance of the driver as much as possible until we get this problem get resolved. Okay, it's fine. Then save this and run the test again to see whether it is working fine or not. Hopefully it should work fine now. If you are getting null pointer exception, means driver is not getting passed properly. Okay, you have to understand that. All the footer options should work fine now. Otherwise, we have to take further steps to get it worked. Delivery information, privacy policy, terms and conditions, contact us, return, sitemap, brands, gift certificates, affiliate specials, my account, order history, wish list, newsletter. The test got finally passed. Okay, guys, clear. Hope you have learned a lot of things in today's session, right? In the single script itself, we have learned a lot of things in today's session, right?
Repetition work only, sir, complete.
Yeah, a lot of repetition will be there, but along with the repetition, your confidence levels need to rise, right? You'll not forget anything.
Yes,
Okay.
if you know one thing means we can do another thing
Yeah, a
easily.
lot of things, and while doing different problems are also coming in between. Even though it is repetition, we are getting different problems, and how we are rectifying it. Okay, to make the project work is also important. Okay,
Okay.
that's what will build your confidence level. Okay, that's what will give you the confidence levels to say that I have already worked on a project. Okay,
Yes.
so this is the thing. Okay,
Arun,
so
can you please push the code to local repo?
yes, definitely, sure. I'm on it. Okay,
Yeah, one more doubt, Arun.
yeah,
Actually,
please.
can you please explain about what is the base class? Actually, I'm not getting like in other pages we are giving
Hmm.
factory.init elements and all. So
There
here in
was
this
okay. In
page,
the base class, we are doing that, right? Not doing. Okay, I'll tell
yes.
you what exactly the base class is. I'll tell you. So let me copy this and upload this code for now. What is the reason why we have created the base class? To understand is also important. Okay, I'll tell you. Hmm. Okay, right click. First upload the code, then I'll explain. Git commit for new. So with this page object model, POM PF implementation is done. Okay, for RA register account functionality. Git push origin main. A lot of other framework things are still yet to be implemented. We'll be implementing in the upcoming sessions for sure. Okay. So, but we have successfully reached a milestone, we can say. The code has been pushed, guys, and you know how to get the code right. Go to the, and here Arun Motori, GitHub. Go to this link, go to the repositories, search for live. In the live, you will get this live automation implementation project one. Click on that, and here you will see all the code. Okay. Go to this SRC, test Java register, oh sorry, not register, test, I think so, test. Okay, this is the register.java. Okay, and remaining all the things you can get from the left side. Okay, remaining all things you can get from the left side, but I'll paste this one in the WhatsApp group, today's code or something like that. Okay, let's see. Hmm, okay, today's code. Okay, today's code I just posted there. So now coming back to your question, that is a why base class, right? See, why base class means, you see why I'm creating this base class. You see, there tomorrow there will be lot of register.java, login.java, forgot password.java, search.java. Multiple Java files will be created for every functionality or not. For each and every
Yes.
functionality, there is going to be a Java file. Now, if I feel that I can create some common stuff, I can move some common stuff. Where can I move? Instead of creating these methods in every instead of calling this driver.get title in this restart.java and all, and if I cannot create the method anywhere, right? I have to, this method will be useful later also to get the title. I should not be using in the restart.java whenever I want to get the title, right? Whenever I want to get the title, for example, if I go here somewhere, if I want to get the page title, can I write driver.get title in a raw format here in the script? First of all,
No.
is it a good idea to write driver.get title or any commands I'm using anywhere, like click send keys or any command? I'm not doing that. Somewhere I'm hiding it, right? What is the best place to hide and can be reused? Which is nothing but the base.java, right? I moved such kind of common operations like getting the page title, getting the page URL, navigating back in browser. The common things that I can generally perform, I'm moving here. Okay. And here I'm
Oh,
not creating the constructor, but I'm passing the driver, right? There are
yes.
multiple ways. Either I can create a constructor and initialize the driver, or while calling the method itself, I'm passing the driver and initializing it indirectly, right? So any method is fine. Which one is better? I'll use that technique. Okay. Here the way we are initializing the driver is by here there are no web elements. Can we create the web elements here in the base? The web elements will be there in the root page or this page, individual child page classes. In the root page, we'll be initializing the web elements. In the child page classes, we'll be initializing the web elements. But do we create the web elements in the base?
No.
No. We just have to deal with the driver. That driver we are getting from somewhere. Okay. Even you don't have to write this also. There is no need of writing because already you are getting the driver from
Line
outside,
number
right?
17, why we are not returning driver.navigate back?
Huh?
Line
Which
number
one?
18.
We are not returning because there is nothing to return there. In this
Okay, okay.
case, when you get the
Just
title, you have to return the title which is in string format. When you return
exactly,
the URL, you have to return the URL in string format, right? But
exactly.
when you navigate, but what can you return there? Nothing can be written.
Exactly. We are just back. Okay.
Yes, that's it. This kind of common methods, you can get a feel, right? What type of methods I'm putting in base, what type of methods I'm putting in root. You have to get a common understanding, okay? Then
Right,
you can
right.
understand. There's nothing much. You see, tomorrow I want to get the title, right? I can use the same base class in login.java. I can use the same base class related methods in the, okay, search.java and any other Java files, right?
Right.
Which can be reusable, okay, for us. And also, it's also helping us in not writing the raw code in this. Right, it's not recommended to write the raw Selenium code inside this register.java or login.java or search.java or forgot password.java or add to cart.java or whatever the functionality automation scripts classes. Okay. So we have to move it somewhere. So since the time has come, I thought like, okay, anyhow, they will be useful for the further for further Java files also. I thought of moving into the base class. I made the base class as a parent class here. You see?
And Arun, in terms of framework for register.java, we have completed all the things, right? We have
Yeah,
injected the.
yeah. Implement a framework part for here page object model and page factory wise we completed. Okay,
Okay.
but framework is not completed yet.
Okay.
Okay,
Do we need to
framework
add
is
any?
not completed yet. There are few other things I have to implement into this framework. Okay,
In this framework means register.java class you are talking about.
yeah, register.java.
Hmm.
We have taken register.java as one of the sample functionality. We automated the test and
Uh-huh.
using that to make the things easier, we
Hmm.
implemented the framework. Okay,
Right, right.
right? Yeah, that's what we are doing, okay, at this moment. You
Right, right.
see, there are different ways of doing the stuff right now. One of the ways is that, I can take one approach like, I can start automating the login functionality. And after completing login functionality, I can implement few more framework concepts. That is one way. Or another approach we can do here is like, page object model, page factory is done, right? But whatever I want in the framework is not done it. So I can first implement the framework concepts properly and then move to the login functionality automation. Which one is
Come on.
better? We
Just a
can
second.
decide. We can decide,
Okay, okay.
which one you feel like? Do you want me to go to the login functionality automation, or do you want me to stick to the same framework concepts and improvise a framework and then go to the login? What do you think? Do you want me
Arun,
to
we
give
can
a break
improvise
means?
the framework and move.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So in that case, I even thought of the same thing. Okay. So
Because
we'll
I'm
improvise
seeing
the framework
in
and
this
then.
framework how it is created and all. That's why I asked this question to you.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Huh.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm manual
So
tester, that is why.
yeah. That's okay. No need to worry. There's nothing. There's
So
nothing
I
to be worried. You see, this is like a step-by-step process. Okay, this
yes,
by
yes.
step.
I
Only if
thought
you
that we
are.
are done with the register.java class. Now we'll move to the other test cases, login in. In this way only we have to create the
No, not
Java
like that.
class.
Not you see,
Yes.
it's up to us when you want to create, when you want to improvise. It's up to us. Okay. Now, if you feel that there is a benefit of improvising the framework right now, we can do that and then move to the other automation of the scripts. Okay, that's one way. So I feel that is the best way. Okay, whatever the framework concepts you want to implement as much as possible, we'll implement this because we already have known how to automate the scripts related to the register functionality, how to optimize them, how to implement the framework to make the things easier. Already we have done. But let's take the framework to the next level before moving to the next functionality. Okay, that's the best
Okay.
way. Okay,
Yes,
let's do
yes.
it. Okay, so everyone, I think everyone is also behind that also. Okay, same thing. Okay, so but whatever the sessions I am taking, right, I think this is a part 10 or something, I think so, as part of the framework concepts implementation in our live automation. From last 10 sessions, I'm doing the same thing, right? And yesterday and today, it's like, one session is equal to almost three sessions. Okay.
Yes,
So
I
it's like
seen
six
that.
sessions. Okay. It's a very lengthy sessions, I know. But a lot of repetitions were there. Okay, while implementing page object model page factory for each and every test methods, we got a lot of implementation, a lot of I have cleared a lot of doubts. Okay, some confusions were there that were cleared here. Okay, still you may get some doubts, that's okay, you can ask me later. Okay, not a problem. So but we'll stop here. Okay, since things are working fine, we'll stop here. I already uploaded the code. So we'll not we may or may not have the sessions on the weekdays, I'm not sure. Okay, if there are any sessions on the weekdays, I'll because as a backup I completed good number of sessions on 4 and 5th. If there is a possibility that I'm available on these weekdays, I'll definitely inform you on the WhatsApp group. Okay, otherwise the next session will be directly on Saturday. Okay, fine.
Yes.
The next
Yes.
session will be on Saturday and Sunday. Till then you can practice whatever I covered so far. Okay, you see, to create this much and all, it will take a lot of time for you anyhow. Okay, I have to practice by yourself and try to create two workspaces. and compare, keep one project in my project in one workspace, your project in one workspace, and when required you can compare and cross check. Okay, that all you can do. There's nothing there. Okay, so like that you have to practice. Initially it will be difficult, but I try to make the things easier. So whatever the path I am providing, if you come in the direction, then things may become better for you also. Okay. So in the last session, I think Nigora was there. I think so. Nigora was there. She's not there right now. She was insisting me to not to create the objects for the page classes in the scripts. So I have removed this today. Right? I found a better way to remove them. Right? By creating these methods in the root page, I got the idea. Okay? Why to make the things complicated? I got the idea like if I can create the object references from the root page, it will be good. I think root page only, right? Yeah, these methods I created today. Okay. Either I can, if not possible, I will get the driver. If possible, I'll be creating the object reference for the respective pages. If I'm jumping from the non-related pages, I'll be doing this. Okay. There's something different we have implemented today. There's something different we have implemented today, and we have taken the framework to the next level for sure. Okay. Okay then. Anyone have any questions, guys? Anyone have any other questions here? But from today's session or anything you want
Sir,
to discuss or talk?
today is easy, sir. With a lot of repetitions only.
Today is easy, but you have to still practice. Okay. It
Oh,
looks like easy. It looks like easy because I was repeating, right? It looks like easy, but until you put your hand on the code and all, you don't write by yourself, right? You cannot say it is easy. Okay.
yeah.
Fine. It's
Physical
better
stress,
if,
physical stress only more, sir.
yeah.
Physical stress only most today's class.
Yeah. That's okay. Okay. That happens. That's okay. Sometimes you have to take it. Okay. There's no
Yes.
other way. Okay. Fine.
Thanks.
So, yeah. Any other questions?
Not from my end.
Okay. Fine. Great. So then that's all. Okay.
From next week onwards means like from next Monday on to take weekdays, sir.
I will try. Told you right already, Nitish. I'll try, but it's not in my hands. If there is a possibility, definitely I'll tell you. I'll put a message in the WhatsApp group and we'll join. We'll take it forward. Okay, not a problem. But if it not happens, that's the reason I have taken way in advance. Okay, in fourth and fifth only, I thought like if I cannot take session on any of these days, right? You should not feel bad because I try to complete on 4 and 5th. So that backup plan I am having. But if there is a possibility that I can take the session on any of these days, I'll come forward and take it. Okay. But I'm not sure because I'm just thinking that a lot of traveling will happen. Until I go for 1 week, I cannot say anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it's giving me that flexibility. And if not happens, again, we'll continue on weekends. And if there is a possibility, both weekends and weekdays also will cover. Okay. We'll make sure that we'll go a bit faster this time. Okay. So
Okay.
we'll try our level best, whatever is possible. Let's not worry about weekdays or weekends. We'll try to take the possibilities and complete. Okay. That's the plan.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay then.
Next session on 11th, sir.
Yeah. If not on weekdays, it will be on 11th only. Okay. If I don't inform you, it will be on 11th only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But on a particular day, if I feel that this is a possibility, I'll definitely put a message on the WhatsApp group. Keep checking. Okay. And accordingly, you join.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And also, meanwhile, you can also do some discussions or the group also. Okay. If any problems are there, just keep checking with each other and, rectify your problems and all. Work together. Okay. Get the things done. Fine. So that's all, guys. That's all. See you. Okay. Probably weekdays or weekends, if not weekends. Okay. Take care, guys. Bye, everyone. See you.
Thanks.
Yeah. Welcome, guys. Bye.